His soul is one.
Why am I supposed to get? Is it my fault? Did I do this? Did I do this with my will? Did I?
Really?
Stop pissing me off. Stop pissing me off. No matter what I say, no one's going to listen to me. I'm trying to shut up. I'm trying to deal with the fact that whatever I say to whoever, it's not going to make sense to anybody. And you keep coming to me. Well, say what you have to say and get out of my sight. I'm not following you to your room to go and listen to any nonsense.
And we're not having any conversation.
Then stand there. And do whatever. Look, I'm tired of your noise. I'm tired. Why?
Have you forgotten you did this to me? Have you forgotten you put me into this situation?
I didn't do shit. So stop telling me what you're telling me. Then what did I do? What did I do?
Are you denying it now? Are you? Or you want me to shout and blow the house
out? Shout. Well, they are not home. Shout. I mean, even if we shout now, to what extent is it going to go?
Oh, really?
To what extent is it going? Who's going to hear whatever I have to say? Shout. Say whatever you want to do. Whatever. Look, I'm tired of your nonsense. Get out of my sight. Just go.
My nonsense. You mean the nonsense
Treat yourself,
you put...
man. Whatever it is, just please yourself. I'm tired of...
Prince, you must follow me to my room right now. You must.
Prince. Allez. Huh? Share. When you are
you're always intruding in people's business. Excuse me.
I'm afraid.
Prince!
I think one of them more answer there. And I phone to Kwana moko. Hey, mutu na do. Mo yire, mo ankasa no tiri se. Mo ankasa e also ma me o si camera nim. No ade fe. Because o tiri se mo fly anajo. Mo dane mo ho bi abe na man nante dan no mo tie si achirim de ko a mu hu mo. Na se metete mo da no hu shadow bi a odan no. Ada me hu shadow odan no no. What is going on? Every day shouting. Who's someone carrying?
His soul is one.
Liverpool ni church bwana baby. Why very draw? He said, "Boy Liverpool for the ban order." Omo gba bo mo nche. Be blue for no Chelsea for no. Omo just too much.
Over.
Baby.
Over.
Feel.
Na a friend saying. I know some friend. The all takwa side on no ka say omo tamale on no say be metimi aba be farmer. About her business, no so I'm say branches need doors in there and be reef into no. And now some friends who vacancy about or not 20 na maybe some make at yourself, but some go
Best. I want the queenie. Kawaka babua, fize. And you mean tambele phone problem. I check one I watch it and I say, what should I say? Manager, when you serious? Oh, I am that you go back my once and come a band puff with me. I'm not go down on me. And it's always what to see. Some she will be a woman, dear, on his work car. No go on yet. Do I know me and Jimmy? What nam chain? More fast for me, man, and I own your car own over for Fakasa from Oma Buami. Fuck, I say, dear, please, Messel. I do, Papa, when you're Michelle. Memo got that horse one. Now it's my dear mammy. What come out to your cry? You why you sampa? We are grabbing Nkansah. So what him in chain you know? We are my first time, me mamma ye. What my parents are? Me papa you ma watermelon. They be a make a sound. Make you know. Do go tell me no me. That's percent of us ya mamma. When you miss out.
Of an idea, in interview 2 weeks, 3 weeks, because now meeting your
call. Scan one man, and I then say, quite you. Sika, you seem down in your bottom. Me put my ma. Then I'm here to me. Me just in the chair, I'm walking. To everything I come to him. What in Yamin shout? Obey us and will become a night. Me you are a busy man.
Thank you.
What are that? Eh? Did you want to catch them? Oh, I said, yeah, bye. What you made?
Liverpool, we will see a better Chelsea.
Oh, David. Ever that, ever fine.
Peace all this morning. I want to see you in my room now. Yes, now. What are you up to? Huh, Prince? What are you up to?
What are you ordering me about? What's your problem? Huh?
My problem?
Yes, what is it? What is it?
Hey! Where do you think you're going?
Hey, don't talk to me like that.
I should be the one angry here.
Angry about
I
what?
had your conversation with Dad. Telling him you want to go and supervise his work in the northern region or whatever. Don't even go there. Don't go there. You're trying to run away from your responsibilities? No.
What responsibilities are you talking about? Eh? What responsibilities? You caused all this. You are. Hey.
You better think it through because
think
you
what?
You are not going anywhere. Leaving who here?
Hey.
You are joking.
Hey. Oh, yeah, Papa.
I'm mad.
Yes.
Now listen. The best thing.
Mad.
No. The best thing for you to do right now is to go back there and tell him you are no longer going.
Yeah, because it's that easy. I just go back and then go and say, what are you talking about? Eh? So if I don't go and supervise it, well, who's supposed to go and do that? What are you saying? Do you want his business to collapse because of your selfish interest? You want your dad's business to collapse? Is that what you are telling me? So you want me to go and tell him that I can't go?
You are joking. It's better you go there and tell him, or I will go and tell him about our pregnancy.
Stop shouting. What's that?
Planning to escape or run away, whatever you call it, you are not going anywhere. You are not. So do the needful. Go there and tell him you are not going. You are not going.
What's under your eyes?
Listen, it's better we are staying here or we are going together. Which is which? It's better you are staying back with me here or I'm going with you. Prince!
Hey, go. I'll go. I'm going to talk to you.
I'm waiting for you. Washing me means ube jahon mako. And they may start to grab like a million.
say, no. Huh? Who's that's when you be away with your saying, Queen, and you see who's in quality. Obi wo fi oh obi wo ka se fi a tan anya why so o say ka why since o ku sa so o say fi kwa na le say ah mo te kura ni abi e ja kura so bi so na say mu fi ba ko ana say ya ka say yo ba yo mu bia sa ka say ya ta fa tene yo Logo já vou ouvir. I don't know what happened. What was it? You didn't say that. That don't blast him. Say, are you kind of go there?
Friend, what is wrong with you?
Hey.
Are you sure? No, you're looking so somber. Is something the matter? Are you in debt? No.
I don't see what you
What's he doing here? What did he come and tell you? Then I'll go catch him. Did I tell you to go and call for me?
They say what
Is that what I told you? Did you come to see me crying?
Not to the problem that it will. That condition you have to have a transit. I will yesterday.
You did me a good turn by coming to call me.
So what now do I do?
Thank you very much. You did me a good turn by coming to inform me. Please get back to your post. Me that's what. So I'm say Abranti ti wona bebo mama ni e ready unshap. Ni akaye ebusu enkom.
I will come. Le busani na otata oyi. Yo ya kacho mama, o le so mama de. Ai, am dana me je abla se o kai. Apa kipi ango bu boso.
Me yanadmo.
Ah, we na because they are news in the bar.
Please get back to your post.
Okay. But yeah, when you go on, didn't too much. Some people are questioning how come. Said it. Busy. Uno bit on sorry, didn't you? What can more fine? Easy. And you were this one.
No, Prince. Why have you given room for this guy to speculate about you? What is it the matter with you?
I don't know what's wrong with him. I didn't even speak to him. He came just for me and keep the call. I didn't talk to him.
But seriously, I've also been noticing you're always gloomy nowadays. What is wrong with you? Are you not the same person who was so eager to go to Tamale to look after your uncle's business? So why all of a sudden you are looking so melancholy? You are not, cheerful enough. What is it? Is it money you need? Should I get you a new girlfriend? Huh?
No.
So why are your friends? Why are you not going out anymore with them? No, Prince, if there's anything the matter, you know I am always there for you. A problem shared is half solved. So if you don't come out with whatever is wrong with you, how can I offer help? Young man.
I'm fine. Don't.
Even where you are sitting makes things some kind of way. Let's get inside. If you think you're okay, let's get inside. And it's raining and it's cold. Mosquitoes are all over the place. So why are you still outside?
it?
Who is troubling my baby like this?
Stop touching me.
I hate it in this household. You guys shouldn't worry my baby, oh. Tell me what's wrong with you.
Look, you know what's wrong with me. Don't come and stand here and pretend. Stop it. Why have you come here? What's your problem?
I know what.
Get out of here. I don't need your presence. Go. What are you doing over here?
Talk to me. What is it?
Whatever you wanted to happen has happened. Huh? What did you tell me to do? You told me to tell your father that. You told me to tell your dad that I don't want to go again. I had to go and tell him. Do you know what he did? Do you know what he said? Hey, Fiako. I don't need your. Get out of here.
Wait. What did he do to you? What happened? Talk to me. Why are you standing here moody? I hate to see you like this.
You're pissing me off, okay? You never wanted me to go in the first place, and you made me go and tell your dad that, and I did that. Now you've got what you want. Go.
And why would you leave me here alone? Let me tell you, you can't even blame everything on me. That I'm the reason why you didn't go.
Leave what on you? Leave
You're
what
not
on you
blaming
again?
me because you didn't
Leave
go.
what on you again? I was supposed to go and work. Because of you, I didn't go and work. You're here telling me what? Don't touch me.
Hey, Bella. Assemble.
That isn't our prince. I left my food in the fridge and he took it without my consent.
Please, assemble. Please. Just an insane. Why you feel bad? What's the fear? We need payment. You pay. And away. You open a watch there. 12 months hours. Make it so. So you are no. No one's with you. Now there I am. You will fit that. Master Benjamin. Hey, Kasa. Wait. I dare you. Master go. Move it go. Hey, Master. Move from the go. Say. There you are.
We want peace to reign in this house. Everything that's going on is not making sense to anybody. And we can't let it get worse than it is. What I think honestly right now, honestly, I care about your health. Because yes, you did that, but this is the situation you're in now. We need to find the solution. I think you need to abort it. If you abort the baby, nobody finds out anything. This never happened. We're back to our normal lives. Think about it. Don't overreact now. Just take your time and think about it. If you think about it, take your time and process what I'm saying. Don't say anything out of anger or in a haste now. Bring home. And sometimes it's very important. If you abort it, it never happened. Because you are putting me through too much. I don't like it. So
Prince!
What?
What has come over you?
What has come over you?
You want me to abort it?
I don't
believe you care about my health. Do you know the complications in this?
What do you want me to do now? Honestly, what do you want me to do now?
No. I am not doing it.
Bella, take your time. Take your time and just think about it. That's what I'm saying. Don't give me a response now. Right now, that's obviously what you're going
There's
to do.
nothing to think about. I am not.
Hey, we grew up as siblings. If they find out you are pregnant with my child, what are they going to think? Your own parents, what are they going to think? Have you thought about it? What are your parents going to think if they find out you're pregnant for me? What are they going to think about you? What are they going to think about me? And I can't even tell them the truth. Shut up and let me talk. When I'm talking, I can't even tell them the truth. Because it will not make sense to anybody, but you know the truth. Just go and abort it and let's all be free.
Prince, I am pregnant now. So they have to deal with it. No, they have to. No, I am not. I'm not going through that process.
So what are you
I don't know.
do
Think
now?
of something else than an abortion. No, I'm not.
Why? What's your problem? Did you think about all this before doing what you did?
I am keeping this, and that's it. Please. And where are you going? Come back and let's think of something better. See this guy. Oh God. So what am I going to do? Oh, should I? No, I'm sorry.
What are you doing here?
Oh. I can't say about Danny Papancha and
Just tell me when you're going to give up, because I don't understand. Like, what else do you want from me? If you want me to leave the house, tell me. I'll pack out and go.
Oh.
Because I don't know what you want me to do now.
I can't say I come there now. Also, baby.
Everything is a joke to you. What if you're joking? Like, I don't even know if you're joking or you're serious. I just can't tell. Like, baby, I am going now. Let me help.
Stop being childish and come and feed the baby.
With what? Stop that. What's wrong with you?
Come on.
At this point, what exactly do you want me to do now? Because I don't know.
Exactly this. Come here. Hey. Stop that.
You need a man. Let's get you a man. You say no.
You a man. I know.
I said, hey, stop. Now.
Bella, I called you today because there's something going on in this house which I don't like. What is it between you two that you are always quarreling or fighting?
Auntie, I said there's nothing going on. There's nothing going on between us.
Prince, you guys are practically siblings. And the kind of picture I envisioned is not what I'm seeing. You guys are always squabbling about something.
Auntie, I told you, is there something going on? There's no problem there. It's just one or two misunderstandings that come along the line, that's all.
At first, it was about Bella disrespecting your girlfriend. But as at now, that issue has been removed.
Auntie, I don't want to talk about it. I don't even know why you're going to bring that issue up.
No, seriously. But I am serious because I can sense some sort of animosity still lingering between you two.
Mom, there's nothing going on between us. We are cool. We are siblings. At least one or two things we may argue about one or two things, but that's it.
Your eyes are even giving you out. You cannot even look at Bella straight in the eyes. Bella, your eyes are not even connecting. The eyes don't lie, you know.
Mom, what is it? Prince.
There is nothing wrong, Auntie. She's been telling you there's nothing wrong. There's no problem.
No, wait. Who is feeding you with this false information? I hope it's not...
Moral, he's the one. It's Moral who's doing that. He's the one.
I'm sure he's the one feeding you with these false information.
No, but why would you think it's Moral who's been feeding you?
Who else is in the house?
No, is there something Moral knows that I don't know?
I wonder. There's nothing going on. There's nothing, Mom. Chill.
I am totally not convinced. But as at now, I'll leave things as it is. If I find out you two are hiding anything from me, I swear to God, all hell is gonna break loose in this house. You. Now, one guy who say, "I call a bunny, but 2 penny bunny." You.
Do you want to kill your mom? Do you want to kill your mom? Reason up before it gets too late. Reason up. Look at what you're putting your parents through. Shame on you. Shame on you.
Shame on you too.
For what?
Shame on you.
What have I done?
See the way you are pretending. Hey, there's nothing going on.
Is this something good? Is this something good? Do I know what you're doing? Do I know what you're up to?
Bella.
Prince.
Come and help me in the kitchen.
Stop this nonsense.
It's true. Pacheme. Any my fault. I was really going through a lot and I had to deal with that before accepting it. Thank you. So it's not my fault. Okay, so I'm sorry. I want things to work out between us. I'm really into you.
You be kind of someone say at the end of done. He said, I mean, still now, me myself, like.
How? Say who approaching me with love? You were interested, so what changed? Please accept me.
As you see in Metiasia, who now pay me.
Okay, let's take it like that.
Maybe the Canadian can make your kakra, but you see, no, on one forward the whole pay me.
Okay, let's say yes. Please.
Honestly speaking, many you say you many new one and comment out our aqua so, but you see, you know, now Mama Adrian be but all the same, you know, me the young couple say wa approach me. So, parents, you know, how am I going to deal with them?
No, leave my parents to me. I've already told them I found someone that I love, and they're really happy about it. Into Omoka, they're not. No. Don't even involve them. Concentrate on me, okay? Leave my parents out of this. What I say is fine now, okay? I don't even mind spending time with you. I mean, even staying here till tomorrow, I don't mind. I'm just into you. I love you. I wanna Just let me hear what I want to hear, please.
Mckenzie, oh dear. I feel on my bidding come so and they mean to me my own ha. And I won't send them any so back into my shed a crazy symmetry. Into no dear, you beg to new contact. Now I call. Be able to communicate. Why? I be Taro say.
Oh, like take it off.
Yeah, my wine.
So I should leave here thinking you've accepted my,
Oh dear. Say you be doing come on. Matthias, you're my comment.
So what at all does Morale do in this house? Has he not seen the police dirty? Huh? Why are you giggling? You are giggling like a little child. What is it? Huh? What is it? Unless you elaborate further. Mommy. No, I cannot. Unless you tell me. What is it? Huh?
Okay.
Spell it out, girl.
I found a boyfriend now. And very soon I'll be introducing him to you.
Excuse me?
You heard me, Mommy.
What did you just say?
Yes, exactly what you heard.
Oh, Holy Mary. Mother of Christ. And when are you bringing that fortunate young man?
Very soon.
Look, Bella. I've been expecting this day since God knows when.
And the time is here, so.
So tell me, who is he? Who is that man? Who is that young guy? Is he a man or your age group? What does he do? What does he look like?
Mommy.
Huh?
Wait, let me bring him. Wait, I can't talk much about him right now, so just anticipate. Let me bring him home.
My dear.
Yes, Mom.
Does he make you happy?
Of course. Yeah.
You know why I've been with your father all these years? Because your father goes out of his way to make me happy. My needs are paramount to him. So as an advice from a mother to a daughter, seek your peace of mind first. To hell with love, to hell with physical attributes. If the man gives you peace and makes you happy, go for him. Okay?
Yes, Mom.
And you know, you be my only daughter. Your happiness too is paramount to me. So anything you choose, I will have no qualms to accept it.
Thank you, Mom. You would like him.
Really?
Yeah.
I trust you. I know you're going for the best.
Yep.
I do trust you.
That's why I'm so
Yay! I am happy now. Yay! At long last, I am going to meet my in-law at first. To my incoming son-in-law. Prince, I am getting sick and tired of your attitude in this house. Today you are cold, tomorrow you are warm. What is happening? Huh? Is that also?
Auntie, nothing. There's nothing going on.
Were you not the same person who went to your uncle and said you wanted to go and look after his affairs in the northern region? So why have you changed your mind suddenly about going to Tamale? Huh? Auntie, what?
I'll go. I just want to wait a little while. I'll go.
No. Do you know the sort of preparation he set in motion? I I don't want to term you ungrateful. But my husband has taken you like a son. If not in this house, nobody outside knows he's not your father. So why are you being a disappointment to that man? Do you know the sort of plans the man has for you? He has plans for you and Bella. He has plans for you to relocate abroad and pursue your own path in life. So why don't you humor him and do something for him in return?
Auntie, I'm saying I'll go. I just want to wait a little while. I'll go. It's not that I don't want to go anymore. I'll go there. I just want to see to one or two things here first before I go. That's all.
Prince, do you know he's contacted all his political friends that his son is coming to the northern region? So what is he going to tell them now? Why the sudden change of mind? Tell me, what is up with you? Huh?
Auntie, I'll go. I'll go. I just need a little time. That's all. I'll go.
So if you knew you were undecided, why did you broach the subject to him then? Huh?
Auntie, I was, but something just came up, so I just want to wait a while. That's all.
So what do you want me to tell him now?
That I'll go, but...
When are you leaving? You go by what? What exactly made you change your mind? Huh? Is there something you're not telling me? Huh? No, your emotions has been in shambles nowadays in this house. What is up with you? Are you okay?
I'm fine, Auntie, I'm fine.
No, depression is real. If you think you are going through some sort of trauma, just tell me. Huh? Yes. What is it you're not telling me? Huh? Why can't you open up to me? Hello?
Auntie, that's not...
There is something definitely wrong with you. This is not the prince I know.
Auntie, I'm fine, okay? I'm fine. I'll figure it out.
No, you're not even articulating your sentences. This shows you're confused.
I'm not confused, I'm fine. I'll just figure whatever it is out. I'm fine.
Washui Eddie. Else what Pabron? You be sumuma. Ako factory settings. What it? Back to factory settings. They won't come if you are. Won't come.
I wish I could tell you what your daughter has done.
Me a gangster, me a savage nigga. What I say, me mo uji na say, e me na be come through this time. Me mo like to be this time. Me come through to me. No mo say me abulu in the build.
I'm feeling where I'm happy to be.
Where is your guest?
I'm not feeling bad.
Mommy, Daddy.
Yes. Jackass and a friend of that. Near Pentalk, baby.
This is Abolu. Yeah. It's him.
What's mine?
The love of my life and the guy I told you about.
What's my dear boy?
Your boy now, okay? Hey.
Abolu, this is my mom.
Bella. Just sample for someone. Yeah, Pentalk, you're good out in the sun.
Dad, I'm seeing.
Oh, one away.
Dad, can't you see him?
Young man, are you the supposed boyfriend?
Mommy, in the first place, no. Now I think I be an introduction. Na no credit. Me bema me no mo ba no ho no. Na se bi bema so do ni oba ehia. Untimi mfa no wada untimi mfa no ho wan. Timmy and Mckenzie no. I was in my bed, Johnny and Nanny. Now, or the maybe chili fees, in a bay, I said, Chinabino, or the Shemi once, and I may why not, who say, or Shemo. Timbacho me, I mean, within the Abulu, and at 2024 and beyond, heat.
Such insolence. So you are the supposed boyfriend, and you couldn't even get up to greet my husband when my husband was coming?
Yes, sorry. Uji.
Baba.
Yeah,
Hey. Waba rough. Waba.
thank you.
Waba papa. What did you say?
Opening batch for them, I see him deep and
About
yeah, Abul, yeah.
not 2024 beyond
And heat.
heat.
That's it.
Cause the heat.
Heat!
Tiam.
Opening, I like the vibe. Heat! Savage, gang.
Who for grabs?
Opening batch if you can't see it, you
And talk on us.
and talk on the show.
Chino. Who been sure cry?
On my name, I even I say, look at your friend, the first one.
Now, Confion. Sounds you know.
With a music open here, guns, there's no yard, and you'll be a band talent.
I'm scanning your body. So my mother met you to Hey, one guy, me. I've got something. Someone in me back. What way? And a chimper. We are my bay.
Opening a practice on me.
Tatis. If you had a bit, another go. Second,
and you not, I mean, to as I said, you want to be my catch was a loyalty there.
Never, my money can pay. Money fee. You put deliverance. They want a film of open summer.
Only penny because I also can you channel. Now what you see,
hello. Where are you, my baby?
But you practice like but
Tatis. And a full fiat man. Now,
and only why you lose no. And only your tapens in one, and they say phones and that. Mimi to be be here, be a me to me.
What is that all?
Young man, what is your educational background?
I'll go school.
Yeah.
Open you just training fee 2 9 man down, I say. Business like
And you feel with no education you can come in for my daughter?
I win me.
Madam, but my 2D, but
Me peria.
but open president.
I am
MP, yeah.
No, my dear.
What does the reader?
Open but today.
What talk Kakoda?
Open. Let me know Confronts as him now. Kakudi is our be to do but today.
What's that one baby? Tell me. Ah. Hey, Bella.
Daddy.
We okay?
Yes, Daddy.
What funny? Not of man.
George.
What funny? What I have. Hey, it's so what you miss, Bella.
I'm even surprised.
No, I'm walking. My father, but tell me, fear, what is happening? That is me. Beyond 2024, beyond heat. Some churches, if you are ma, Nabelia, Nabea, Sabi, Penny, why? Only them churches you. Ha! Send a man what you minimum da. Who will you see going
Open me one of Niska. And I said, you want to have a new queen.
Hey, I quite so.
Oh, bye.
Ah. Why come for pay? I'll come down.
But today. But nearly a comfort station.
And now. And then you might also.
Let me chip in here. With no education, no breeding, you couldn't.
What's Janet catching in vain? What did you, but cleaning that way? What did you go? They will come. Can you teach them? No one answer.
When Timmy and Shia in San Jume Biaso.
Entrepreneurship, one of entrepreneurship.
When I am there, no, this room in life means they practice me down.
Wow. Open and tell me and call.
It's an this life.
Are you normal? Hey. Is your mental faculties working? And we ye. Why did you one more damn? And the young so waiting a fire bay.
What do you make that?
Oh, no, what's a meat?
What do you make that?
Oh, penny. You were on a better form.
No, quite no go find Moko and go best.
Oh, by the morning, Kawam.
Pie man the pie.
Mommy last two.
Am I one yet? More than pie. Oh, movie on thing.
No, have you seen you've agitated my husband?
Coming more, can you ask me to speak to me?
Jemu to my neighbor, whatever my
Mommy, can you ask who best would be at the phone before?
Also, Mom, big Kurakumaba.
Well, Virginia, my son, Gamakum. For Sally! Come! No, but say, we'll try and find out what?
Hey, Bella.
Bella!
Mommy.
Bella!
So this is your best? Of all the men in this world, this is your best?
Bella!
Daddy.
Hey! Hey! Open it.
I love him.
You love who?
For what reason? For the idea. What break you want? What break you? What was breaking?
He has slept with you. Oh, Mira, or the another.
No.
What can be?
No.
Mira, me saw another.
No.
Bella!
Daddy.
Bema, Bema, Pibra. Charlie, be a mamma inquire. Be a mamma inquire. I can't go on a tea. Hey, you map upon a dear dreams, only be a mammy be. Be a mamma inquire, be a mamma inquire. Oh, for Vivia. Charlie, well, then how? Be how Anna, be a mammy. Oh, Daddy, what is that? Open me, call me Pato Adama. Charlie, Bio! Bibiasiana, Sakin, Mammy, Bia. Hey! Bibiasi! Bio! Bibi! Are Ampa. Bueno! Fasia! Hey! Okamachi.
Mona!
Okamachi.
Senemamia!
Ale, of
What do you say?
Hello.
What was that? Adeya! Oh, Bella! And now, Wale. Ask na so, or Bawale for. Now, what are we? Ah! Where, Mama?
Woman, dear.
Am I off? Am I what?
Na Emma wa okay nyina oba ba me so kofa oba Confronting ba fia. Obi wi a opa say. SMP. Ona bo nkura na tete omu ye.
Ne kuma ni mase. Awo abaya djuma pese me ye.
Tete omu ye na.
Ampia me pei. Ekuma ni mase.
Amoma nsun ne ya omu anhwe da achi besu amom. Ko se omu si bo ma brabo no.
O ma moy.
Hey.
O ma moy.
Na me so we ni ba sa.
O ma pa se.
Ona beti ma bo me rank ni ye achi me. Sema bi ebushani ana me ebushani. Ana me ebushani.
Meni muda eyamwa bi.
Ah, ye na se papa ni ana.
Wo de chi right.
Arabo.
O ba mo ya won e class o bia.
Hey, anyway, wa come to me dem say as papa ni ana wa. Me time hey, as em do ani e kire wase o. O kire wase.
I have climbed the mountains.
You have really let me down as a mother. Bella, how could you? Why would you go in for a guy who has no breeding, no education, no skills? About time be near worry. Send a body bearman when I'm for you before. I don't have. But what did I see? You bring this dilapidated, riffraff, shabby guy,
Mom,
into my house.
he's just a young boy trying to find his path in life.
Oh, really?
I love him and I want to settle down with him. The best we could do is just help him. I mean, acquire this skill you're talking about.
With no education, with no skills, without any zeal to better himself in life?
Mommy.
No, looking at him and from his utterances, you can see the guy is just aimless. Mommy. And he even looks like a junkie. How could you? Bella, why would you disgrace me and your father like that? Your father is an aspiring MP for Christ's sake. Why would you bring disgrace and ridicule to this family?
Mom, I understand. But then Daddy also started from somewhere. And now yes.
Oh yeah?
We can also help him.
Your father had the dreams, had the intellect. The first time I saw your father, I knew he would make it in life. My instincts are never wrong. And what am I saying with this boy?
Well, the same way I also see vision in him.
Will you shut up? What do you know about vision? Are you out of your mind? After all we invested in you? How could you? Huh?
Mom, I love him. I love him.
What do you know about love?
Yes.
If you love where you go chop.
The same
Odoni yedi. Obasa bema when you swadi huna da achi obeye ni papa wo eyo oman mu no walk off away. When you now abonti ko beti apply the Confronting na ope.
Mom, he's got potentials. The best you could do is to help him.
I forbid you to see. Shut up! I forbid you to see that boy again. In fact, you are grounded. You are not leaving this house till you come back to your senses.
Mom, please don't do that.
You are grounded. You are not leaving this house until you find some sense. Like I said, until you get some sense, you are not leaving an inch. You are grounded. Yes, all allowances cancelled, all bank cards seized.
Mom!
Yes.
You are not doing this.
Se mene be ma mene no ho a ye ni jika makama bibie ekoso but we ni tua se ne ma mene ne papa no omo mpene so me be fi ahwede omo ye me omo ma mene nka je me kura me suro titiru pa ne se e bia na etena bi no omo sa keka nsem de akire bela ama bela adwen asesa
ena se odwen ho sisi
bela so de se bi na mo na mo mi ame mundi no bela mundi mi ame de no
ora na so din kwa se si Confion ma ho ha ho ka si obaro ana bera so de oni problem bia me bla ne ne yire na ase cause issue ni na
o ke so mo ma ni
mebo wo sabe kan obaro me na me ni ane o papa okay yes me na me hwe ne me nyina so ma me na ma disguise me ho asa me pese me ma obi enipa hu se me yenipa so masisi sadana oba ye kura na sa meeting no na ka meeting bia kadana ka de ka wa he akwa no nka na me kasa me papa no sisi ya ni sei na yire ne kura de na papa no mum na yire no
tese maame ne kura de tese maame ompe meni ma hwe ai tia me keka bro fa kesi egu me so tese me twene ho amenti ase
wana na kire ai I say my oh Ebon dia chiro me lo fi man dia wana na chira dia ntende ne blofo dia obeka oni hia obeka kasa chira pa why eti ka koma to yem mate obesi mi so dia oni problem dia
mate ena open nisu nyame hira o se bi nyame hira o kwan ya me fa so a me ne wo hia en no eye nyame ena wo so hia me no wa che me massive love wonni me da me ni mu da but odo a wada ne dia kire me no ya na mpeni focus mi se do we ma de no on parents kwa mami 1 minute
o mamiska
ai me ma o kakra sanse
wani da hopa o
na de
e bi ko to me bedroom sa case e bi ko to me bedroom
o tena buchiri da
oh be se me medical se me ho
sa
be se me come SMP
bedroom na wo state ben
be ma ham
but bedroom asem na okay
be se ge no
o no di yimpa so onko okra de nse na eti
oh me nko aka me ga be se be ma ham se ge no bruni fita case must na do
oh debi when you bribe we you say wo say wada adina I say me young boy na wo support me no fa credit to issue baby.
Have I not told you not to come to this house again? You are taking bribe. Famam! Abolo, whatever you call yourself. Have I not emphatically told you you are not needed in my house? And you, Morale? Oh, so you've been taking bribe from him, right? You've been allowing him into my premises, Meboa. Hey, Morale, just what year? Here, 1 year and over, and the Morale. House boy to sell. House boy, servants, a quarter so. And so, we are what to send you, near shed to be a show. Which will be our conquer to cheer. And so, you know, Nipana, Messimi, and if you had our son of me, what? Cratty. Over some hand, I am a boy. Over some may hide me, put me power money at the mamma boy. Are you out of your mind? Have I not told you are not needed here? What at all do you need for my daughter? Do you think I'll allow my daughter to be with a shabby guy like you? Huh? What aim do you have in life? So why are you so fixated on being with my daughter? I wouldn't be surprised if you are even an armed robber. You came on a surveying trip to come and rob my house.
No.
Hey, into what?
I'm not one kata na ba no.
Huh? I'm a foul house boy. He any won't be just a near better dealing run cry. I will be. I look no other room when you're baby tenor. And I want some song was that. Hey, Mora, I obey and I say, dear. You take this filthy money of yours. You think you can bribe my house boy? Hey, come on, get inside. Get inside. Hey. Get inside. Come on, go and man your post. Look, the next time I see you near my house, I swear to God, I'm going to set talks on you. I'm going to set the police on you. I'm going to set every damn security agency on you. What do you want from me? What do you want for my daughter? Do you see yourself fit as being a partner to my daughter? Do you even look at yourself in the mirror? Huh? Have you discussed this issue with anybody of sense? And has the person not told you that you're not fit to be with my daughter? Hey, Abolo, I am one crazy woman. I am one wicked woman. Don't you dare unleash the power of the dragon in me. Do you hear me? Come on, out of my sight. Take your filthy money off my property. Will you get out of my sight? Foolish boy.
Please, thank you. We shall meet again.
What is there to thank me for? What is there to thank me for?
Oh, you are here. Yeah. All right. Since your uncle is not here, please manage this pocket money for the week. Okay. I promise to top up when he comes.
That's fine. All
right. I hope it will be enough.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I mean, manage it for me.
I will. Thank you so much.
Let me have it.
Have what?
The money, of course.
Are you serious? You just saw your mom pass by. You couldn't ask her for money. You're going to ask me for. Do I owe you money?
Oh, you don't know? Well, I've been grounded. My bank account frozen. And all cards seized. All because of you.
You deserve it.
Is that what you have to say? I've been grounded because of you and you're telling me... Do you want me to tell Mom about this? Mommy!
Hey, tell Mom about what? Tell Mom about what? I'll give you everything. I'll give you some. Relax.
Everything?
What do you mean everything? How am I supposed to? Relax.
forget to give me my money. Give me my money and get out of my sight.
Hey, baby.
You know I love you. And I hate to see you like this. I want our love to be so unique. Tightly bonded. You know, like that of Rose and Jack. Oh, such a memorable love story.
Look, go and find your Jack somewhere else. Okay? Find your Jack elsewhere. I can't be your
He's
Jack.
right in front of me. See my baby daddy.
Don't call me
See
that.
this
Don't call me
handsome
that. Don't call me that.
You know what? Don't worry. I know you have needs. You need to buy some. Hey.
Just give me my money and stop this. Oh.
For the love I
Everything
have
is a joke
for
for you, huh?
I'll give you something for boy stuff.
Just stop this and give me my money. Stop it. I need the money to do a whole lot of things.
also
Why are you doing
need
that?
it.
For what? What do you need the money for? What do you need the money for? Give me my money and stop this.
Have you forgotten?
Go.
I love you, baby. Give me some kiss. Mwah.
Hey! Alright, Abechi. Why do you always show up at the wrong time, eh? Who cried in here?
Masa, Abeto.
What to them?
Sikari Abeto so wonjini. This you could I have a bang you know, who can scam movie and huh?
Charlie, if I didn't go, you will pass and just continue to your post.
The whole beautiful is going to be. Hey, anyway, what didn't be the come about? Huh? Who didn't put a secret view say any way you marry? Yenche, na really a musically arena the way.
Call Bella, I don't get this. I don't know when this can
Bella Moment check.
I don't know what this can to go.
And let me hear now from the money. Oh, me. Be for Manu see cinema agolo dia. You know I love you so much. Just come,
I love you too.
And one thing, I don't want you to be going after ladies like you did to me.
Hell no. You are my wrist, my if people can go for this. You are my ribs. And therefore I don't follow other ribs. My ribs is here right with me. I love you so much.
I love you too. All right.
It's an insurance of community. And I will shame it.
Stop that.
Confront what you be, mommy. Why?
I will not be mincing my words. And I demand to know nothing but the truth. Whatever that there is. Bella, you are pregnant. Yes. There's no use denying the fact. Everything about you points to pregnancy.
No.
No. Look at how your pulse is even,
What's
rising.
My pulse?
Your pulse is beating wildly.
I'm not pregnant, Mommy. Stop that. I'm not. How? How can I get pregnant?
Okay.
No.
From the day I saw the unused sanitary pad in your room, I started monitoring you. And everything shows clearly. That's my dear daughter. Somebody has gotten you in the family way.
No, Mommy. I had my period last month and I'm...
Shh. Nothing you will say will convince me. And if you insist on fibbing, I'll have no option but to tell your dad. Oh yes.
Mommy, but I'm not pregnant.
Oh yeah?
I'm not.
Are you still insisting you are not pregnant?
I'm not pregnant.
So should I bring your dad into this?
Mommy, I'm not.
You know what that means. Should I bring your dad into this?
I'm not pregnant.
No, but Bella, how could you? I have been telling you countless times to even let me see the man you are dating. But to no avail.
I'm lost here. I don't know what to do.
I said you're pregnant.
I am not, Mommy. I am not pregnant.
If you insist on denying it, I'll let your dad know. I'll bring your dad into this issue.
Why?
Oh yeah?
I'm not pregnant, so why telling him?
Alright, try me. I'm going to call your dad. Yes. Mr. Lady I came to call you because your daughter here is pregnant. But she's refusing to own up to the fact that she's pregnant. Ohene, bisa baba na say one man na onyinti na say onyinsen. Na so onyinsen so why no no nyem. Wada ma be men na.
Bella. Ade na ma me no ka semboko. Wa ko fa nyin saba. Wetina fa je no betasa kasa abaso. Wo bu saw se ampasa wonyim. Wonyim so, why na anyim. But in the young man, what's your chisapa? Muda, be ready or gonna pay. Minutes away, I will slap you if you give me that fake tears. Would you? Nabate. Bema Ufi, what to you? Nabate, how cry, when you miss away. Make my crew this case. Hey, Bella. When away. And Jabba. When my partner on you? Are you pregnant or not? Oh, no, sir. When you man on him? Messi, when him, I know on him. Bella, Messi, so when you must swap, when I wine at him. Nebaka, I won't call what you man. Se ko shina de Bella na dache ye pema o ska o pema na ga me baba e ka hu bi munyo bani atome so samusi wo ska na menya mfie do kunu wa ha kwana na sika sem no oduma o ba dai afena me ko sese wana nyem Bella wana nyem Apollo so you are pregnant? Anybody knows that? Apollo. Hey. Listen, when I know. Apollo. When I Jesus. What's wrong? I brought here now in neighborhood in the bar. That's why I'm going to go. That's what. Bella! What am I going to do? Yeah! You are a disgrace. You are a disgrace. You are a disgrace. Bella! Who be the man in the champion like when you are Apollo? Hey, Jesus Christ. Ah, Bella. What about you say? You've let me down. Hey! Sorry. Again, Sika. Any Sika. I won't fair. And I won't fair, Bella. That's all. Huh? That's all.
I will start by apologizing for the harsh treatment I meted out to you on several occasions. It is not my fault in the sense that any good mother who wants the best that there is for her daughter. But as matters stand now, you've already put my daughter in the family way. If she's not told you, then I am telling you that Bella now is pregnant, carrying your child. We've decided to accept you as our son-in-law. You know my husband's political station. As an aspiring MP, he doesn't want any negative news or anything bad to stain the good name that he has. So instead of my daughter always trekking from our house to this ramshackle place of yours, we want you to pack bag and baggage and come live in our house, if that is okay with you.
Mami, say me to me nye kwase awo. Anase say me mpredu asa me to na me to no. Me nye jimi fo. Na wo maami we kura no. Na se bi e odo asem. E to kin kan to my Bible say otan we ehwanya ntokwa. No odo de se bi mpredu asa e kata mfunfu nyina so. Okunu kwase ka me mo akonya. Ramshackle house no. E ye boga bi na de ramshackle house na hye me nsa wo. Na say e set up bi e na obese me set up. Because my name bantimu de me call na na so ani appoint ni akun anya sa.
Excuse me.
Ma me nyagi me fo. No, baby patro ma me nkasa. I had a obi ni na aso na anya. It would dey relax because dey am anyem. Mami, from the very first time me be fio, unyo bi open my asem da. And me nim se ne ma me fo bi tsem no, se bi mpredu asem su ban tete. What not here we dia na say dey bi akwa we. Se me ko ne heart attack la me nya no. It's in a door no. Never net from the ramshackle house. It is so bad nice apartment. Me money be on a power punching. Actually, 3 months now from a bar. Mommy, I'm not leaving my ramshackle house. This is a place where I have stayed here for long. I'm not living here today nor tomorrow. So, Obano, won't you, mom, and change? They are fine. I'm okay with it. But me living here is prohibited.
My dear, I understand your pain.
Yeah.
We didn't start on a good note. Yes, we started on a wrong.
Now, you will be a semi-prayers. Has one completed house say you are. I want you to live in your ramshackle house. You don't have any respect for me. Besides, what the banner was going to be piano to burning. It would have seen you Suban TV. Can you going to reduce things? Ramshackle house. What here? Jubilee house and out to Parliament. For me, please.
My bad. Sorry for aggravating.
Excuse me, please. Baby, my name how? Say my expressing myself. Things will go wrong. I'm a man, and I'm pregnant with you. Me piano to me bad away. So I have the emphasis. I have the power to talk. The power from me powerful means more catch me. Busano. No, I'm leaving, please.
Excuse me.
No, let me. Oh.
Baby, please.
Right, alright, it's okay.
Can I proceed?
Yeah, you can talk, yeah.
Okay. Since we've not reached a concurrence on the first issue.
I'm a bro focus in here. Kapina in face reality.
Okay. Okay. Sania, ni amdi ka de to wanim no. Yadua nko benkro mu no. I want to move to the next item on the bill. Like I interrogated you some time back. I got to know you have no education, you have no skills. In fact, you have no breeding. So I want you to raise you on par with the level and status of my daughter. No education, no skills. I want you to tell me what you want to do with your life, what you want to do in life, so that I can help establish you.
But your dear, and oh dear, a chin como me mefro, and I say, Mashida be fina, the will be an waka. And I seem to be my wife or so. Now the will be a barber catcher.
I will.
In Yankan to think as our friend waka. There was a Kodana bomb pie. Let me Yakupon, you know, the Bebwamino. Nama catcher and wife for Bedam in chair. Nama catcher and the Ubiano.
That is what I don't want. For her to be trekking from our house to your house. So our doors are open to you. Come and live in our house. Please, I'll entreat you to really think about this proposal.
Baby, please accept my mother's proposal. It's the best for us, please. I want to sleep waking up beside you, please.
But also that wake up beside me.
Please, I don't even want to
think
about
that. Also now that one,
no, not that. I want to be with you always.
Hey, Bella.
In an air-conditioned room.
Not that.
Say in Yankan to think, Miss Me Kodana Margina home. No picture from beginning neighbors as small American and yes, set up. Me and yes, set up. Say, I do Mukai, Yamuka, Pemua. Me whom to the had need to me my answer. I'll proceed the next one side.
All right. The next item on the bill is I'll also want you to dress the part, to look fit and fiddle, to look, chic and elegant, to look well dressed, so that when you're moving with my daughter...
How do I look?
Oh, I just want to help update your wardrobe, your wardrobe. So, when I get home, I'll get your number. I'll send a transfer of, it's 10,000, okay, or I should make it 20,000 to this. So that you can get yourself a decent, you can upgrade your wardrobe. So that you can look the part.
For 20 bra.
20,000 is not a problem. All right, so I think.
I'm saying, one shot.
And could you please do me a favor? Could you please change your style of talking and walking? This street kind of life in you.
How?
The street boy in you speaks, comes out so loud and clear, which I don't want.
My mobile has been proud. Do you know me better if you know? Hey, now go to me feel pune, and I will mommy authority said you open.
I want to make a gentleman out of you.
I don't know what to do.
All right, I would love to take my leave now.
All right.
Shall we?
I'll
No. Let's go.
Baby, come and peg me before you leave. Don't peg Yana. Come and peg me. Baby, I love you. I need you. That's right. All right, I love you.
I love you too.
All right, let's get going.
I'm to you. Why? Please. Emma be how? And Emma name your way. I say, me see me dog. And I must be me protect you. Forgive me, see the America son. Manka be why? I love you so much.
I can't wait to see you.
I can't wait to. Don't see mommy. Alright. I love you. Alright.
Mom.
Alright, mommy.
Excuse me.
Mommy, I love you so much. Pia too moody. What the tree whom you feel going back? And sometimes, you know, I want to say, your mammy fool, she said, being pretty as a radio to a moon, na se kakra omo no mu ye no sa na yeso de na edam se manye mo bank abeba say leave my ramshackle house and come to a better place.
Yes. But I say, maybe what you have about? It's very nice. It's interesting. Adiani. Where did you go? No, from Tamale. Oh, Anyway, a china. From Temboy. Baby, what time? The power in a mouth on a pavilion in black. I'll pay all. But Chibby, why? Turn upon my car with station. What do you mean? I come on. It's a very, very nice program. Very nice program.
Pacho, come on to you. You wait me 3 months, Kaka.
When I will. What's it? 3 months, baby. Many colleagues are starting project. Next month, investors in the bank. I'm saying you more so Pacho. You wait me 3 months. Of them patch. Me me can't. Prince, let me go. What did I say one night?
If I know you're not frame, no, some me catch up, but.
Did I walk and go? What do you know? Do you think before you touch me?
My boss watch shoulder, but.
Prince, what do you take me for?
Me can't say me cool. Just over the patrol in 2 months now. Next month to move.
Prince, are you okay?
I'm fine. Please, I just need small time. If I beg you.
And I'm today. Mimi Tiano.
Uncle, that's not the case, please.
Papa Minche. Sa papa. Mimi be busy in farm. Our family. Mimi amate. Mimi no home. This is one job. Enter me people. I what cannot to Akumaso. Me shall say now you are aware. You know.
I know.
But what she had done? Amusika. Ubi be mommy. I see our bacon. What catch him say? 3 months time. What is so? 2 months time.
And now I'm calling me friends and Confronting next month. And what over them patch.
Hey, please. Please. Don't joke with me. So let me jump on my side. Stop that. Please. Don't joke with me. I hate that. Me never fry. So what you like? Be fast. They change you again. That's a kitchen bill. Simon Boka. When you know, I was China. I'm a Tanaka Wukotamele. So invest me back. They won't drop me. What's that? My chain. How walk? Oh, okay. Let me know. Are you ready to go? Or we're not ready to go? Tell me, Frank. Please, tell me. Do you want to go?
Please.
Or you don't want to go? Let me know.
Okay, I beg you, just.
Stay 3 months. Stay 3 months.
No, 2.
2 months.
Just 2 months. I beg
Stay 3 months.
No, 2.
2 months.
Please, I beg you.
If it's not that, you can never go. Are you ready to pay all my accommodation because of you? Thank you, bless. And one day, many women. Oh, I'm from who? Hey, what do you want then?
My husband was supposed to come with me, but he's not yet back from Accra. And he told me to tell you emphatically that he has wholeheartedly accepted you as his son-in-law. So he wants you to come live with us so that we can be one big family one big happy family. But you are still adamant. Why are you being so stubborn? Why are you being so unyielding? Huh? Is there anything else you want?
With them in the first place, you know. Because me sorry. But then noon say, they now buy no. Now make a baby say, if you hana me one, I mean I'm feeling so. And Papa ne feeling any diano. I am a fast shiano, and no more the aboamino. Now mean to me free hasa, but when me be doing commercial or person me bamono, many Papa needing 1 year so about this month. But still now, no, when you're my, and I will be fee, meet me near a whole building is or Namen Quatana baby, sir. Intino, just say, me paying a money back.
So when? Think about your unborn child. The lady you claim to love needs your care and companionship, needs you to be closer to her.
And I make us a mammy, the old kind of metias here. And yes, I mean, Tias and I mean care. But meet me, if you know, sir. Be fear meet me, and Hosanna, me, Simon, you must say, maybe Tanahonum, at least. Also, Oba, Namadana say, O mammy, baby, tonight. It is over no best set on us, be idea. Many problems say, me bahonum. Inti me fan say I train one and me one, sir. Why into it?
No, looking at my daughter's condition too, it's not wise for her to be shuttling from the house to here every day. She's in a vulnerable state now. Also consider that.
Nze ma month I think say aka some few weeks be obeba into the you managing your mouth for now na mo nhwe ne so kakra ma me obedru ya cha ni 3 days and a week time no na me so me pack me belongings na che say
so I should be rest assured that by the end of the month you are going to come stay with us.
Yeah.
Sure?
That's right.
Sure.
I'm trying.
All right, I'll relay that information to my husband.
Yeah, na watch your mass will be my swami. No man who's all buying some here. Why any may why?
You guys will be meeting soon, don't worry.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
You'll be back.
Mr. Bidiako, about your bony or your so. As my men overcame, Messrs. will be able to with me. It's all about Bella's refusal to go to the UK again. When Mr. Oka say, any idea as someone back over cheap, dear, or can't them, say, any idea become one same you. And so, I call any future no one here. Say, on 1 year, say, I will change over. I feel or say on sign go. The Abamana Betnet in the fear has a bra when you're ready. Tonight, then you see the person won't so be quite as won't be battle.
Made off me supper. Any deep. Bella somebody. Me pessima sako kana simbi. What I did a babble. Tija Bella some cry and I'm in trust. And Bella some biuda. Please, let me take Mama minute.
My dear,
you did not let me land.
I'm out to Ghana. One man, you, oh my, I would say, what we put a name go. Please, Cassam, I want you to go. I got your book. No one has said, 7 o'clock with him. Who's sending me here? I can't do bad that anymore. I know so with that, Sammy, what you mean. I know, Osimwa, who told us me, and then, me, please. Let me think. Let me focus.
Obidumbi. Medabrichi.
I said, so I'm
trying to him. Semenshia. What Mamma no and see. Na me susu say. Sakolani say, I'm on a no one. Nisukuno, Yaman and Twasso.
I never said.
Debbie says attachment and Yaman and Quay.
I was myself. So by ye, so one ye, so bad that, so boo, the Messay, Bella, some. Make it.
And you are some saying. Your classman or cook just a day. I mean, Mr. Mention, but your customer who could just say, you can be beyond whatty. So as I pray with one offer. What's the matter? What's the super? I don't know. Would you be a planning mamma? And then that's what I what do you No, for crying out loud.
What else quality? Anna, man, man, what's that home? And because
Na me de ede na me sha kola na chi.
We have a sabone.
Me de ede na me sha kola.
We have a sabone.
Ah, ye ka sma kuku tia so sa, won pra me enka wasa wa dai.
Please.
Let me get say.
Where na me pa MP adi no.
Hey, please.
Where na wo be? Wa so no.
Ah, na wa jimi ana.
Mo.
Ah.
Nanya ya. Wa
Where me fa wa dai.
Obeko to ba.
Me dey say nkra na bia confusion ano me no fi ase.
Akwa me tifia.
Me ka be na what say? Elo.
Prince.
Ese buru se o baba na entetemu sa. O ka
Ah, o tia me nwa. Savage.
Ola bo, e ba chawo. Me nim se e wo a.
Ah, wala.
Ah, woni me kunu ne na ani me su.
Me na wuti me yata.
Me sira mo ntim panifo se ntim.
Only shut up. How dare you interfere in our stuff?
Niti enya gana pa na sabi. Ya so kwate samson mo aso a. Anka nya se fo kondo kwa. Sidere tim fo tim pata.
It is all your fault.
Tabi,
It's your fault.
Me sira mo. Enya safo.
Emia nkum pata bi dati. Wajimi.
Enya safo me sira mo kwa mo nyanto bose na mo ntem ho se na mo wate.
Jimi ni wususo. Bibi koso a. Yedi ema.
Enya safo na nkasa.
Ni safo nkasa.
Ba mo nkum ho de mo nko de mo fa mo de. Mo fa mo because me hu how I say me ti atem ontem. Afa ntina ase ema bibi ani a. Oh, ema ko mo nya na ka.
Mira. Also won waso so akwa wo su ofia. Ama de ye niam ho.
Papa yo. Du bebe na ha me. Ema fo en papa ma ne. Omo nyina wu no ma esi anan. Na mi hu ni nye. Na nya sempa na nka du wo twe du kro ba tese wo. What am I just say? Ye tini nkuya ho. Ni ye kuya mo fa ja pade no. Wo nya go kuya ho.
Peace ntina mo fi ase wada wo.
Peace. We chief ni ma.
What?
We chief ni ma no here peace.
I don't know so babies.
Na go bele. My friend get out.
Get out.
Get out.
Bibi ni a mo nyanto bose aka wai. Na enkwa na ya na yesa.
Are you still on it?
Why Mr. Mawai? Arawo.
Akwai auto tramo.
My dear, it is your fault. Won waso so no so sa. Na ka se bo we. Eh ya asema ese ka. O ma ya kon.
Wini subai.
Me ni subai se sa.
Only to the maker. Do me all this favor. I'm chilling in Jamaica. Nobody here. Who's there?
Adiasa. Sabi, de oye ni pu yi kura no. Wada o.
Ada o ha ne sen Nkansah.
O se.
Bi bu sa o ha ne sen.
Me che say adiasa so ko nsa awo be wura o.
But wait, me nto as you. Se bi mpire duasa. Obi a metime ho ase. A metime manhye metime wife fi. Intime betena no na ado me betena ha. And now my should be see how the catch him say the intimation koda. What kind of disrespectful life is that?
Yeah, I guess seven we
Oh no. At least I mean you should show some manners and gestures.
Yeah.
Things are not like the first.
Yeah.
Or things are not like the genesis.
Yeah.
I'm a different person now. Because you be a 7 periods and kaoba no koto. When you to wasi at na se obu sam say dey na me here. The mature say wura ha. Me okra me ba. Position pa wuru ofia ne sen.
Mimi wuru ho asana abeka.
Ai.
Na na oba ya se me catch so. Man ka se me ebusuani.
Say dane de na me nya nwurem.
Mimi ebusuani o.
Me ba. Dano na me nya nwurem say no. Afa na boss ma bam. Nti be say me hu yie because we busuan asem ne omo relationship no. Me hu ni o ma so sa. O so dan papa no.
Wani je ntina oba afiase. Nya ge na opportunity. It is say I am what DJ you pay no.
Oh no, there be.
Oh, to pefie wura kasa.
There be. Hey, I just said no more baby tea.
There do I answer. You chwa no die. Busheni pa ne papa no. Tutu mu tupa.
Busheni pa.
Me and my brother boss. I don't know. But you can catch them. Me say. Me dey mo
Busheni a wo dan.
O say,
anya busheni wo dan. Ti busheni dan bebrebe wo inside room. Wanya bibia na yede na yede busheni papa mu anua. Hwe won tare chi mu. Hwe busheni pa anta masa. Busheni na wo ye no. Wo dey say afin na mabanti no. Me Nkansah me sheda me personal invitation because busheni sikani busheni we dey.
But this guy's even home.
At least
Emile bi ba anhwe a obekase me pa chawo. Wo dey market on the wall. Ni titi fiafo nyina no na ye de wo ye no. Adu tamu adu bibi kase a mimi mum na asa me sane ansana onya no. Ho na bi wo say.
Wow, sign baby girl.
Hey. Bella. Baby. Bella Mundi. Okay.
You. Why are you talking to my man like that?
What?
But you why
are you talking to my man like that? I don't know.
You see, idea sounds so incorrect.
I'm saying, is it woman who's so powerful? The fact that Obeth here, who need to be to Nkansah anyhow. So what's it?
That was also what to do.
Only two Nkansah.
I could require them to be a very on penacula. Sign up. Who moved you?
Mora.
I see you
now. Casaboko, no tea. It's me, I cast one man who said, no, won't see a crown, won't jide your church.
I just what to do, man. I'm a bit new.
Mamma can go was or tenacity fee. So what it?
And I met my wife on change. Sure. The wife fee na meti. Bemen said moon number to be to me and you know. Men are my outside and many plan better. So please, I love uni or you did treat you.
Sika my jedi pa. Sika my jedi ko. Sika my jedi wo. Sika pa. We don't do that. No, we are more.
Me bo into so papa. Umi apa papa no.
Okay.
Umi apa papa no.
Mora.
You papa le. Fine, papa be.
Fine.
Papa le na ka on.
Talk to me. Who is talking?
Who papa ni
o si ni no papa. Only do papa choose say.
Wait. Some catch you.
Let me go musa say. Ni ntari chinu ni dabiri mu nye. Na so no na. This guy say no. Thank you.
Hey. What to be home?
And you are
really papa.
Who for you?
None daddy were here.
Daddy bay.
Masa.
Daddy bitters.
Daddy wine bitters. How to me papa no?
Okay.
Marcel.
Baby, don't mind him. He's lying. Hey, who him now in the Kasa Savior? Make a check that me up and more.
Maybe auntie, who papa no baby?
Not at all.
No, my minute say. My minute say.
He's a housekeeper.
Auntie, who papa no baby?
Papa was on again.
Na papa be na me no kan no asem.
We are long too much.
Mati.
Professor, alright.
Mati.
He's a housekeeper.
Hey. Hey, we class Ubuno. And I'm a better one to my dinner.
Mora.
And you Sam.
Mora.
We, as I know, is out to the good. Hey, what person?
I'll report you to mommy. My report to my man, no Pamo 50 has said. I blame on Pamo and the call. I'll be a young donor or yes, and chasing. Now, baby, will swing your honey.
Say my fan is toy, and at least.
You say, we love one more high chain. Don't be giving him such chances.
We know Papa, baby.
Not at all.
When a funny
man. On a cheap ramp on one because on him, Nechi.
When a funny man.
Well, I don't know, but he's just a housekeeper helping us with some chores.
Yeah, come see me to know, boy, woman, maybe she.
You have the right.
Baby, come and sit on my lap. But please, Makajo say, hey, oh, Nantia, don't be walking fast. At least you are carrying my baby. That's it. I love that right there. That's it. That's my baby. That's right. Slowly. That's it. Nice one. Right. I love it.
Yeah, that's not sad. That, you know my wife.
You know my baby. Me no, me find it. Oh, me young.
Me pack it. Oh, yeah.
Baby, don't mind him.
I don't need to we see. We will show me an eternal. I don't want.
That, oh, my man, pack here now.
Oh, pack here. Oh, packing him away.
Hey, what's on correction? And if you have one, say, baby, that. Baby,
what's your here packing him away? What's the bell? Here packing him away. Baby, trying to embarrass
baby. Baby, when you miss your fuck.
Hey. I didn't obey you. On your ring.
It will move soon.
That's on your ring.
What time on? You're telling me what? What to you? Maybe I say, Binny. I want to say.
That's your home.
I got bad now. Mamma is young.
I say, okay.
I won't never. Can I be a kind of more than me? Feel free, what? Feel free.
I'm patching me okay.
Obian poison, feel free, what?
When you womb sad,
I'm a fee.
Saving Predia Sada, there's some snaka no
who slow. They are too plenty. And then why? Yo, catch it. Now didn't put it.
But Abulu.
Apollo.
Okay.
Akwaba. Men and mammy is a very foot. Now, one fasten to any. Every day, say, you bet you try the apple. Now, sir, or flower catch it. I didn't see percent of cassette. I said, what can the best solution? The American piano, whom is say, what are down. David, men a man 2 minutes say, one on Nkansah. Said one name left hands. Bibia. Do I am great. A so better than Jane. Eufia. Never be here beyond. So peka, so pesica, shall be the same. The old cabinia. Maybe I prefer one train. I bro. Now make sure, say. I'll make sure, say. Ma'am, why you okay? Be here beyond. When you catch them here. Mamma, your mom. And a beer. Yenny chia. And my daddy Meniswa, maybe. A fat air man pissing. My company are quitting. I'm a book of a baby. Munamo Yahweh. Bibi said what I want today. Anna, Apollo, a bull, one you may buy. That find was Sibi, and I blame me. Politicians never say no. They will feel. Bibi and Tiasi. Obey just that one, but I'm Sabia. The background upon my plans on my aqua. To myself. The man might be a nanche. And most da. So name a bang would da. No more piercing was say. One in Banner and you. Copy me say, you have a trouble in a now if you might pay amount on him bay, I'm not what no more shall say. A bombra. Now make some Jessica swap. I was for Dutch. No matter what brand, say, maybe some was a papa, me Jessica. Me now some pipeline. I'm a person made the mouth. And tell you, some flower. As a sincerity.
Yeah.
Oh, me okay. We opening any market. I'm going to and I didn't cancel open soon. Shram say, Martin for me. Say, Mrana, you will be answered. Minimum meka. Opening no correct. I am Yana, my name. Say, you, the Nkansah Matupem, and I know no correct. Yeah. Now, a dear opening saving previous and be dim on the same. if we ask no be no more been upon chassis. It me di can ba hano. No zen kamunyan to was here. Oh, no money me din komo. Se my nyem ba. Me ni say kamu bi be friend. Se me na ni ni.
And I'm putting against
Abrante.
Oh,
near more than near my own.
Sweetie, David, I'm moving far then she didn't. I know better.
Maminka do
man, I can be a trouble. What 2024 beyond heat. Man, I come on your way. Feel free, cancel.
What am I saying? American. My new mobile, me ni say, come with friends and better.
Sit down.
Near no. Okay, can't trust my Bible cast and be say, I've been on the petrim the yarn baby, but in your hope I dinner too. Meaning, Nanka will titru cran Kaubinya. Nanka uncle me.
Oh, anybody.
Opening.
Would you answer it?
Opening.
You come on now, that's 7. We say, Madam Bay, and I mean, as a man penny back, I send out to an abbey Shadama. Oh, I say, about for my appeal could be the amount. Yes, I got to go with another. That's yes in your mission. Would not do so.
Opening, and ye obey first, that Michelle and Musa Debbie. A buyer with me, meaning with future. No crack, but now can I catch ya? Now, if you had none, no crack, wife a bar, and it might be Bilbo, Paneno, or kind of same Dimitri Beji. A son say, Point of fast to buy no argument, baby, but in Penisi near my dream. Tims me quite nasty, a plan to Debbie, save you, my wife, you mean to be my wife and Tinabe, and I'm Smith.
What's only
what I say, we could be feeling a maid, me da. Into opening so what can I say member to Nadia? Me jitum, me babetina. Opening said you or born young dear, unse, untimint in a fisa. Also, my PP, the church, and niggas, no beyond a man, my young banner. Send be a bear for fair.
Nkansah, we are right now.
Never knew you, so now walk. I say, and it was me moving
to say, when in buying,
opening.
Ever say, compare me. If I'm politics, young, what I say, 18 myself. Bema, is he established one? Yet I got a kay. Tell a reason so right, I too. I'm a never at the perfume, man. Miss so me. So me a dopper. We said, Yamin be quite a mo. Tim Fabi Mckenzie, and can say about Strassy. Abassa, young Massa Jeffries. What's it? I'll come to you. Wouldn't you be piano? I can't answer it now. Wouldn't a number. Na majimani wa mompaso ene die obi ase wo kwai na mo so obi ona ka tumi se woni cheda bana nyem beda ko bana nyem no ebe ku bana wasi
so pere no so na be timi ma ni be o se me ha
saka wo fia on ka da busa papa bu ma o se ka ritini o se be firi ba amwa
pene ase o ma wano ya di si ese ne o ka
mira
mo sa shimi no wo ya meka
me pa macho
aji
akaw
maka amba oh yeah,
Mira, Abolo, there's no need for us to drag matters. Wait, a simple thing a Mira no can. Or see baby on here be a bit if you be provide the amount. Or being ya, say, baby, Ujina Bay, Abijina. Inti, never be or only I say, over to Susan.
No,
Papa, Mammy, no, what I'm opening, save you, minimum home, and you be me here, be any buffia.
Yeah,
say, you Mrs. Caddy won't be a piano.
We say, Abaso,
Debbie.
What to you? What about to you? Yea, getting. Missy doing your piano. What a gun, never the rebel. I made that bro.
But I say, still now, I mean, you knew the hour near so cold now, cut our hermit. A cut out one woman. I say, no doubt.
Hey, who community? And yes, sir. What? Maybe you don't know. What am I come as? Coffee by what you about? You so much.
Abolo,
feel free.
I would advise you to live in the moment, one day at a time. Huh? Say good fortune and what be tomorrow. Tell us all that when you say.
Yamabo.
Yamiu. Hey, Yakupon de Sebu or Confronting Sharon Pebia.
Nipantiasi.
What you say? Mr. Obama, who fed enough to know. Be bina, it was no gay or poem and film party. Finally, when I'm more. Hey, a human opening making Ken feel fucking.
And that's it.
making can free to my bottom.
Papa,
What you say?
Daddy, I want to say a very big thank you to
oh, what's the beginning?
for accepting him.
That's the beginning. That's the beginning.
Thank you.
Baby, please come.
Imagine. Okay. Imagine.
Let me chase it.
Come back to me, right?
If you see another taking
What was more? Me ni so de enya sanda ati am mo would
say open say nyem no krama nyem no na fege de say okay
yam physical enya sanda
okay
fasa mu na esi
no open say still na akra no bibi da so wo
David
all right baby
fam okra fam
baby
thanks
just come to me
and here for the professor
I love you you are so proud here I don't think send for tami that is so much
you get the one
you are so sweet and I promise you I'm going to be at your side all the time 24/7
any physical fight
yeah I'm going to go back home oh yeah
I said I quite be man is na here on buso
well say and the same thing no I should have had the problems I'm saying come you know say so 1 2 1 2 no baby okay me pacho say me ni be ma on me ti the be born na me pese me precious and I say junior agbo no show him no wo be wono aye kuru ke dada ni ti abemba you have to relax and make yourself comfortable two ne one no say no hey Bema you pacho down on once the sound na you na one sorry if I come in position over before we say me name my wife it's not 3 1 na or relax it akra down
Let's just
Bema you hey alright
Come on.
why
Don't you ever listen carefully. Don't you ever talk to your man or your whatever. That you should never try that again. That's a 2-in-1. She can sit there, you can sit beside her. There are singles here.
Bema
Hey,
baby hold on
You can't you are in my house.
Hey,
don't mess around. Don't. Baby,
already say be previous my wife na nyim tell ofia
you have a big bedroom with a big bed over there.
What is it?
Hey, what is it? What is it?
Look at you. Just look at you.
Prince, what is it? What is it?
Hey, no, I'll leave this house.
No, what is it?
I'll leave this house.
Me pacho idea someone.
Mommy, I have seen me. Me name baby ba. You want to run the castle on TV. Let this hard ya. Oh my ho. Sorry. You better no bad person no. Or be so tonight you want man as single up to baby. Baby I will do and baby I will stay in the room. In no can say we are there on betro. At least I also relax. Oh that 3-1. Sorry that baby relax what 3-1 ma. I don't know why watch me.
And anything to pay.
Auntie, can you imagine? No, I'm surprised.
Hey,
watch the way you talk. Watch the way. No, talk to your man.
And Prince.
Talk to your man.
Prince.
Auntie. I don't understand.
Let me come in.
What talking ya? If you know what talking,
have you bought a chair either?
Hey.
Have you bought a chair either?
Prince. I'll plead with you to let them have their own way, please. I know it wouldn't sit well with you, but just let them have their own way for peace to prevail.
Auntie, hey,
Abolo.
Boy, we on. Oh, okay.
Auntie, I'll discipline him. No. Look, hey,
just
talk to your man.
Just humor
If he does this one more time, I'm going to leave a mark on his face. I'm telling you.
Prince.
In your man's presence, if he does this one more time, I'll leave a mark on his face.
Prince, you are too much of a gentleman for this. Please. Huh? See, a pig does not mind dirtying itself. So don't descend into the mud.
Mommy.
Please.
Mommy.
It's just
Debbie, mommy, Debbie. What the man nana me.
Just have
what happened?
Me abolo
Utita se. Prince, what do you mean? Or what do you? When you call person you back, no, mommy, make us not talk. Allow me to talk. It was not just and I'm leaving no the make up me nonsense. Hey, when next time I'm doing you said Allah wallahi. Hey!
Babe. So it has gotten to this. Is that how far we've reached?
It's okay, babe.
Utika kraka. Baby. There are certain things you have to let me open my heart and address this issue. What he did was wrong. It wasn't the right way. At least what I said wasn't the wrong thing.
I also think you went too far.
Oh no, wait.
We came to meet him here. At least we can occupy this space.
Yo, do you think what I said was the wrong thing? So are you supporting him or what?
No, we should have just sat here. It's okay.
Okay, right. Don't just make yourself comfortable. I see you know what what's up my boy to your last. Me go physical. I'm going to send me na my na say.
Hey.
Please that na me wo. Please that na me wo. It's okay. I say.
It's okay. Come here.
Let me hear you. I think you want to talk to me.
Hello?
I think you went too far.
Stop calling
Knowing
me
this whole
babe.
thing is your idea.
What are you talking about? Is it my idea? Is it my idea to drag myself and take advantage of myself? Hey, look, you've put me in a big mess, okay? Let's try and find a way out of this. And stop reminding me.
Listen.
Listen to what? What am I supposed to listen
He's
to?
here to cover up for us. So please, try to relate.
Tell me
Okay?
that cover up for you and who? Look at what you've done. Like, I always ask you, did you really think this through before doing it? Because I don't understand. Did you think this through before doing it? Now, whatever you're trying to do to find solutions is not working, and then you always come back to me. What am I supposed to do? What do you really want me to do? Tell me what you want me to do. Look, I'm fed up. I'm tired. I don't care what you do. I don't care what you say. I'm tired. Like, what again am I supposed to do?
So why are you always trying to put the blame on me? Me or you're the cause of this? Have you forgotten?
The next time you tell me I'm the cause of, I'll slap you. Do you know what I'm telling you? I'm not the cause of anything. You did this nonsense yourself. Look, go and tell her. I don't care, okay? I'm done with your nonsense. Hey, my bro. Go and tell your man. Go and tell that whatever. Do I care? Do I look like I'm tired? Stop disturbing me with this thing and whoever you got into that. Solve your shit yourself.
Christ! Wait.
What?
What you doing now? Will expose us.
Will expose who? I'm fed up, okay? I don't care. I don't care what you do. I don't care what you say. I'm not exposing my... Go and do whatever.
Hold on. Now you don't care.
Why am I supposed to care?
You've lured me to bring this guy into this house, and now you're telling me you don't care.
That was a plan. That was a plan to cover this whole thing up. Now, if the plan is not working, you need to think of something else. Don't come at me and I'm the cause. I'm the cause of what? Never tell me that thing again. Never tell me I'm not the cause of anything. Whatever is going on is your own idea.
Scratch it. Yo! Hey! I'm going to say. I didn't want to go to your salon. Now why did you know that? Hey, sorry. I just have phone out the time. Huh? Baby, now to send now you. When the child said, not living room, duck out with the giant. When the child was mommy. Fulfill. I didn't have one, I didn't account like a tensor. I didn't trust some. Mommy, you said in prayer. Miss House, what it? Mommy, it is the same many could not have bull on my Panama. I want to come bedroom anymore. Family, a living room, yen, I about what's my better couch. I did down, baby, cushions, and baby on public. Say that the older one is your own feeling. It didn't as if you did not have another. Oh, want to me. But for me, again. Genuinely, anybody with Jimmy's son. Also, Maniati. Burkina for now, what the day. And Burkina for 90. Why does I was a and tell you, I could not put in what's mother? With them, I'm not going to want come to go Annie. What day you know? On Papa, what did young one and someone come over decay? And Jennifer, what's our baby? Yes, I can. Was I put a mother? 12 a dance room. A dance room. Honorable, me, my Nkansah say, the Muse said you am home and up from Moha. Oh, that Miko. Mamma, and not a Kenya 17 open town. Yet your body and mouth. And you be old 20. Now, why are you in a hay? Join a hay, what a mess I be. We are doing any bay. Better sound was your name. Ain't the good from dinner, Papa Busso. Must I die, Jimmy Gabugunto? The most I've seen this. Oh, when they say yesterday, they should be as in the if you did TV. I saw a patrol. If you look over that, and festival. That you don't want to if you know. Share and not cry that when you permit Sabi. Over to me around Cromo. Over to me, I am from the Pomano. Well, I see a patch over there, and now also over that. Oh, so what if there are visitors coming to this house? What if there are important people coming to see you? This is just an eyesore. As you mean, you sir. Right. Yes, sir. You want to see me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right. Don't you have sense in you? Don't you know that some things are not even proper to do as a gentleman? What has come over you? What's in your we are people from your function. I be a child on your side. Oh, where do you have famous and down? As I am one year. My dear, look, really feel. My new mobile. Vanessa. My dear, this is getting out of hand. What? Every day. I'm out. I say, name a couple of them. What? Please place my cushions well. Oh, yeah, I said so. Oh, how? Next time, act like a gentleman. Yeah. Assemble. I saw. Maybe trying to cook inside, right? No, listen. Mommy, did you say international? No, my husband needs his quiet time. Why? Has he been wetted? Jesus. What's that doing so? And you saw? Too short. Woo now down. What Jerry say? Yeah. Baby, boys na one. And I'm sending you more 1,000 t-shirts, campaign t-shirts. Almost handsome. Lipandoso. Ele se nipa. No, the man don't see. I did not know control it. Mammy, no, Debbie, Menya of Flassa. Debbie, no. Menya of Flassa. What day? Meaning say, when you sing a couple of was your man. Then I go no and how much my battle. Oh, no. Listen to me for once. Meaning say when you
But Radi, you don't know, so as you are. Baby, will be about me. Me patrol, honorable patron Michel. Mammy patron Michel. Baby, please, allow me to do what I'm doing. Say me nyabo frau. And if you smell will change so we. SS also change.
Bella. I said me.
What it? Who better baby when you better baby say to
I said battle. Bella, I said me. I did that with the phone in your face. The be a possible be a Tomocasa. Whatever one more I saw battle. It didn't see.
I saw.
Whatever they are,
Bella, dear, mini problem.
Now, why be
Baso send me to no, Nami Nabo on Tune.
Oh, definitely.
And he was with your phone as America near quarter that. Near Coquas and Asuja from what years Monty a Queen America. If you have it, in fact, treatment of Mammy Fiano, Menin, and I'm a yard of fra. Me say in previous and you kumasi ni bema betim and wotem wasi. Now what poor prince Timim catch him say, me now prince and now send me put out to Michelle Street. Me Tim with Fefa, we will to Jimmy every gimme. Met him put the Hamingamido. I say the short and the long of the story. Nina say, meet me to Nefie beam. And yet me call say Radia Dom, now so share my wife was from Yuma. Wife when maybe I'm to waiting about. And I say you didn't know here. Just take your phone and call me, that's all.
I say the patch for birthday. May I wonder. May I wonder. And your case you been at home, Casa. You rest some because Obia was go. Name every year, and I don't see it. Obia that now so down in Gumbi. As an enemy by Swaka. Let me see. Heaven, I will know. Heaven, I will.
As a one year heaven,
whatever.
I saw
Miss Low. Yes, we are. Jamaica. What's me? You can send child out. What don't you know what?
Oh, boy, you come better as me know boneda. Me better to know. Me also your brother. Say you my contano. It's in Koyan vibration boys. Oh, Cassano not to know Cassano when you are. Now me told me I'm from
Abolu.
Someone.
She say Prince want him to know. And so who said the I will see loud. No, yes, I will be loud.
Sure.
I'm not Prince. I'm not. I guess one penny, but on Pekasa.
She said, when you know, say. You know,
and yes, I never say, me quite let me feel. And as a mere me feel, I say, me told you, I say, Bibia me face Biano, and Yakasana me face. But so, me pa baby, I will do a brabon me against them in the home. No matter how much see how we are teaching me that so. Never said Allah will lie. We may go for us out. Fine.
One way,
who got so stuck a cousin and treaty. I send me here.
One way, Yago. So, Jaffa said, just said. What you can say between here and Mashime? What do you want to Mashime? Oh, I said, I brought up a dead guy out. Now, but once a sample and a bubble. I said, when you be very, as when you to me be, I said, when they rest out the ass of your penny. Oh, I said, Philip arrogant, as a cocotina bubble. And I want to hear penny for catch some of that.
Mammy, Nissan, I'm saying, meet me arrogant Tomso. It is a quatrain film me arrogant to me fear. Minimum same woman fee.
Enusa. Yabutre. Quawi, wow, him say, and you know, baby, Baba. Say, I cut just 1 month near Kwadwo.
Why was I go to that?
That's why me am a quest. Me dying keen you. Me am a dying keen.
But ready. To a day while I suffer, it's seeing. To us, a real suffer them a good one. To make you so bad.
I saw the family.
As when you know what's my
I can't want to hear to Abba. Nah, say, Ube Pia Bonti, Ube say, you're opening to who say, I say, Atriana, made of
Tamana Bay with a 100,000, such a 100,000 man. 100,000.
Senya, Mirasian. The ball is in your court now. I said, 100K.
You have a trouble. Oh, I said, for so for 20 me. Now we are married. And you can sell it down. And what about 1 billion? Why?
100K.
So when you quite ask me, make a crowd. Say the
yes, so why?
Money is not a problem. Why?
As a woman call.
Are you forfeiting the 100,000?
Yeah, 150. Yeah, my 150,000. I'm 1.5.
As a woman call.
Dilly, you're 200,000. I said, Monsieur. You 200,000. Why? When you 200K, you give me
200K.
And you please, you'll be out.
Dear boy, as when you fail. We bet in a family casting out. Look on a boys vibe on, seeing a baby companionship. Also, now Cassam how, but honorable Mr. Sabin previous. When you fed any one mountain, I'll come at you.
Abolo, let me come in here. You always claim to love my daughter, but is it right for you to always disrespect her brother?
So, what actually? As my wife for Bab,
in 250, why, you 250.
My make my uncle last one and one, Baranco.
Sorry! What's up?
Baby,
Baby, it hasn't gotten to this.
I said,
I brought as well. 3, my bag name now.
You're 2.5 billion.
Go and bring my checkbook, yeah?
2.5.
But I already have the pen. Go and bring my checkbook.
2.5. For checkbook.
Yeah. 250,000.
2.5.
Most young guys of your age would dare to be in your position right now.
2.5.
I was 1 million once.
2.5.
And I was out to some of and I'm a casa was out to.
What a 10 and our pa. Most of what you tell. 7 more not 3 billion. Yeah.
No, so I'm in why?
When you're getting any,
as you sang about the aqua and so say, I dear passing to my so Baba.
How do you want your name?
Nasu, if you been a ultima seven previous, ye was a pet, seeing tea. It is unbeing. Why?
Man for checking. Why?
Ibra.
Meme.
So if I check, now she with them, Ibra.
Papa, you
as one busy BP. BCBP say gangster no money. Intino blackmail.
You may show some big that. You may show.
You
may show papa, but ayo. Oh, but what's it?
The house is far.
Then all baby.
That's way.
Oh, what day? Tafra. Da. Why? But you okay?
About me.
Oh, yeah. Da, so da. Ah. You hear me? What am I? Oh, you didn't know we. I didn't know we.
Bessimeda.
Oh. I'm not going to be personal one. Who's stressing me? Sit down and talk with us and go to. Eh?
Well, this is Makuma.
Aso. Hey, Daka. Ati.
Sesing.
You know, Daka. Why? I'm well.
I'm saying, I'm back one of an hour.
Jan will say,
you could that,
Debbie.
I'm home.
My upon a primary maybe from King.
That's a
Heat. Allah. Honorable Wati. Allah me Judy.
I know. What? Feel free.
Allah, honorable Wati. The old mama. Allah, honorable Wati. What about Bano? Obiel, what may I say? Allah, may I say?
I guess
24 beyond you. So heat.
Heat.
Well, please.
Fine. Why?
Didn't you? Paluta, or say, picture you have been dinner with Jesus and the last of an camera mother until now. Ah, Papa, Kimpaluta from the rooms in your master from the waters in Rabbit, no one water and fresh that above, the more above, and the Biana Tinka, don't remember Casa. Bad!
Are you happy with the going ons in this house? I want you to do an analysis of the situation in this house. Do you feel happy? Bella, are you happy with the way your supposed boyfriend talks to your father? Are you happy with the way your supposed boyfriend conducts himself in this house? Are you happy with the way your supposed boyfriend talks to your brother? So haphazardly, without any thought for protocol, without any thoughts of being a gentleman. Huh? So, is that the best you could do? Is that the best man you could take? He conducts himself without any regard of anybody in this house. Without any regard of decorum. Are you happy?
No.
And what are you doing about it? Because he always threatens to leave. Is that why you're also being with him without advising him?
I'm sorry about all his doings in this house. But please, I love him.
Oh, really?
I can't let him go.
This is a shameful love. A man who has no regard for your family. You call this love? A man who disrespects your family at every point. You call this love? Ah, Bella. You've really let me down as a daughter. Sometimes, when I look at how things are going, I cry myself to sleep every night. Have you forgotten your father's status in society? Do you have any regard for my feelings? Do you have any regard for Prince's well-being? All you think is about you because you love him. Such a selfish act because you love him. So he has the right to misbehave. Right?
I'm sorry.
Be sorry for yourself. Because I know if your friends or anybody gets to know this is what you've gotten yourself to, you'll be a laughing stock. Be sorry for yourself.
Musia. When you baby on to wa. Na ya musa bonsam jam. Na mo sha say ye name sefata. Ya pamusa bu nkoso a. Na mo se pacho. Kusem koda. And na wo jira ha se pam chaw. Aswodi ana wo ye ebola. Babu shafo papa ye bi. Ana ma beta me nche. Mini moda. Mi shawda. Ma fa se me badam. Wo som me. So pass one fast one. Now fast one thing and Jovia. Come and the same, the same. Another penny more. Hey, you via. And I'm confident. Why said Abra? Wagata Sabra. Hey, you can't know say. Even a wee. Missing that catchy. Apollo and Cassabio. Momonia name and Sefata. And name. One female. Talk was some. Na chana ja mufia kwa mukododo de mufia ebi na wi besrawo fun ni nenu ko mempam na mom suspension on the further notice am not sure me from do you mesro ko achi
there's no need to apologize just
choba be anim what am mempam
ade a me entoko ay kokoso a me peace.
You intentionally do that. You always provoke him. Why?
Every day, every time. Na mo wo say Danny na mo ebo ha kitchen.
It's not about me and my brother. It's not about me and my brother.
Is it Danny? We I say maybe ebo ho so
ase. Danny. Darling.
Darling me.
Ladies and gentlemen. Dining.
Danny maybe you.
Are you the one to correct him? Just take your bag and leave. That's all.
Yes, when is I want some? Ya pam no. What's that mean say be dago? Ya pam what's that to say huru me?
Mr. Fonito, me no want na nyene. I don't know a young guy or balance here say we didn't know ya.
Who's Mana usi umwadie. We Jovia. Bibia no mitirim. Bitia ko da go sane eboku me. Minya be ya pise kema. Skit ya sare tai, nya so ni bedi agro. Ande eboku me.
Nabo.
Ko nyansa. Memo saba.
Efa na mi ko tran ko nyansa nyansa no asaba. Na mi ntia.
That's none of our business.
Wa abuom. Wonu abuom. Sanko le abuom. Be ho, bo mu nyansa. Na mo. Hey. Kenongo. Sa. Someone is gone.
Why would we give him money again?
Yes,
he's been paid.
Hey, Masu say no, then as going on, Miskana Munya, I am
Haven't you been paid?
Maybe I knew.
So?
Just I won't say already will be our continue. Oh, I can't watch some more. What time is often your
Hey, did I employ you? Did I employ you?
Yeah, no, sir. Okay, this is first no, I will use your preparing.
When Nkansah nyamwa. Just what did them? Manya come there. No pe bia ba ya che me.
Hey, wanabo. Anyway, we dey na we you know.
Patulation no. Pacho nya ka be mami. Woni mo nkomo che obi a, pacho dule. Nesi wa yi. Meti, so because we what is my pamonti. What to about mebo obi become sinai. Me macho, abra won yeska ntwabeka. Mama ya bo. Bitu nyame. Yo.
Let me to say na dem as why. That you go.
Leave.
Oya ntata na baby na say, e bi ko ya bo no. Da.
Onyimi.
That
you go nya kwan. We ji woni akaka ko shishim na we ji. But how mama mi there, but say Asia. Say Jimmy Sia. Jimmy Sia, man, como ia para, na mala go go ma so bidu.
Unya sikanta. Onu ka senti. Uja manim, me batem.
This man ga me dey. Ba problem ni bi o ha fe.
And what's he waiting for?
Ngozi.
What dey bacho?
Hotel.
What, go why?
Hotel akasefo.
Yo.
Ani se kusu.
Yo, you da see, right? Anyone there? Hey, me kwasia.
Mr. Bediako. Aye wanije, niema yako Sofia. Abranti yako fani ba ya bolo sa wanwan. Wabe koso confusion bebre. Mora wanya kra na. Yene na twa so many years. Because of Saboy we till by just 2 months. Wabe koso confusion mora ya pamono. Unyama na nso na meko. No wa manisika ene meye sei no wa ye ni sei me hu metsi number 1 woni ni huni can you believe say otimi cha washroom e wo mo room ho e be use visitors washroom ho sabi flashing punti me flashing odidia no the place na go kitchen ho sink nu someone na me wo roman ni session na pampas one na me twinta chance mu mfama no me hu metsi nyama boy ni ye wo fia me hu metsi eye mo waka say betina go metina yintem ye de ye ho de living room ye ni access to your living room
medo woni bibi en focus me say dua bataboa ni dwa edwana ibina asemi abakoye anya me na nyawo eye sabi ye baba kofa bai emma wo ya enpa no okọ umani bi bia bi hwere ni ase kwase obefa na tena no uhu akoma ewo ya hena kofa dia ba nyanya sam nyanka ka we be masuo bai so batiti sa wo sika ni mu a o sika otiti hiani emma hiani wu no One moment to do scanning, I'm a better go. Now, a few money. When one show cook swap, what could you part to the one? Now, where am I money? Then it's simply the abba. That's what I would say. What do you say? I will tell Secretary. And the year, I better so. Why they will put a come. Yabotre. See the people in Muna, you come as I would do. Now, my blue visit. About also yapping. Can be scammer trouble. But don't scammer trouble. We are where. Yanya Boko. Not open Yamana, but fast in Piaba. Or come well as my phone. It is a woman bar. Then I can't say me.
My dear, why don't we find a separate house? I mean, Uncle Pedine, your baby, an apartment, your baby. Now you're in free, Uncle Tim. Sabin, no honk and pump and cry to fear.
Oh, boom! What's else ya? As we in from a bunny. Just so, we run out the chair, and then now so you have a trouble. But I come to tea up it. Who come on down free? What in some carbon telling? Never come fee. Now come up when you are ashy. What a mess you know, Buttery. See the book of Muna, you could see ya, Boko, to a very busy come. I didn't channel. Moving me up and maybe feeling water. Never feeling water. You know what's a book of Zempidiaba.
Oh, yeah, I can see from your own perspective too. You do have a point. But I'm made of our material. She said, Nancy, my ye pedriam coin. Takra kakra, salmon kakra, and wakakra, milkakra. Mira, unquam dear Missai, a go so bono. Make up by ya, boy, no. So I call on the name of you said, and then says, and quite bad say no, then says, and quite no, and quite one sabby. Then says, Sim up a day, and ham. I won't be someone. I said, no, dear, what's on? Namifu. Nan said ye. Hey, welcome for. What dear say, Jenny? Hey, Fufono, Opajasi, and what dear say, Nanty, and you know who was that 2 minutes simple. Hey, that's one day. I brought you milk off a buy. I brought you milk here now, O'Crally. A double. O yet you to me, milk double no, Marco. I think you can say boss one and a man doss. Neman dos. Seriously. What we say like you get if no frasic as one year, no flashy. As for all your reassurance to me. Oh, come a car. Why you reassurance one flashy? Metaphor. Send your kind of election. Who could not any election? I be community free. I'm not one to condone murder. Hinty. Yen, then to son of a cattle say, abandon definitely be Matty. Be only a day. Therefore, what should I get you? And every day I'll be no control stew or make a beast. Let me come back. What I saw did he? Open barrier and I saw pay bread and busy. You mean you're when you're back? When you're mad, but a pimnamina. Yes, a pimno, a pimno corners of barrier can go. Mixing. Okay, fish, Kobe. Oh, fishy. Okay, my dear. Then I'll just get to cooking your lunch. Okay. I love you, dear. Funny bro, fuck I see. Are you not forgetting something? Oh.
Say one. I bet why we don't go to the rooftop. Yo, we chilling, we popping inside the broken estate. Say what? Say what? Hey! I have an 18 else. Hey! Meet them all, Whoa! Hey! Say what? Say they do me no more. This thing no be no more. Hey! Boy, and the big boy just come around. Hey! No more. Say you they do me no more. This thing. Say you they do me long more. This thing no be no more. Masa, are. Não tu one yes ah. What about that meeting? I don't know what do you know.
You are lucky. You are lucky I didn't use I didn't smash the phone on the ground. Oh, baby, your home. Huh? Hey, there's something wrong with you. Listen, Opa, if you haven't even spent 1 month, you've been here for like just above 3 weeks. Look at the trouble you've been causing every day. Where is morale? Maybe where's morale?
No.
Where is morale?
You ask you a question. Who gave you the mandate to come from you and pause my music? When I start saying,
wait, I want to understand something. Like my sister is even confusing me right now. This whole thing is supposed to be a plan thing. You are supposed to know your position in whatever is going on. You are getting ahead of yourself. I don't know. Are you hosting a party? What are you doing?
My man, I'm joking. Me too. I would deny and we did this and now I'm showing new Jimmy life now also. Bema, Jimmy, Mayren and him and I'm a befia say, no, wait. I am Mayren and him and my befia say, you can't tell me what to do. It is a mitifia memonium. Huh? Maybe a mitifia memonium.
Auntie, this
are you out of your mind?
Guy.
Are you out of your mind? How dare you talk to my son that way? Are you out of your mind?
Just leave him for me. Auntie, I said
leave
him for me. Hey.
I will watch and say no.
From Chile, I will watch and say no. Be a crossing the chair will be out. Why am the mama boot for boot?
Because told me. Kai watch our share me say.
Idea watching. Okay. We are Bemercy about it. Mama be and I have a false. I am a woman. Miss won't call. Okay, try it. Try me and see. Okay. Try me and see. Hey, me my butt them. Okay. Bro, from the kind of come here, but without you crossing the chair. Let's tell you, Mama, I want it.
Auntie, will you listen to me? Just let me handle him, okay? That's fine. You go, Auntie, please. Uncle won't be happy to see this. Please.
I will leave this house.
And
I'll make sure
you cannot leave.
Make sure the outsiders.
Hey, we are sick and tired of it.
Okay.
Auntie, he will go.
Mess up, uncle. Who do you pay, Jimmy? You be a fresh man.
My friend, listen. This is what my auntie is even doing. Listen, bruh. This is what my auntie displayed. You don't want to know what I'll do. You, Your days are numbered. In fact, your hours, your minutes are numbered here. Go in there. Go and pack your stuff. Respectfully and leave.
You are very stupid. You are very. Hey, Bema, my man can't be slow. When you fair now all your farmers say no and Quran is money dear no sir. Make done when you am when my best media be. Mistaken there. Hey, me Eiffel Tower was a Eiffel Tower. Me the be wura winning. Ne me chim na dan when you know. I am yamanyati un cry to say the car say with no. One ma me na baba to ne south so want to I know. What baba to ne south all in the name say me need you to not to come kwasi asem. Okay. We will live in this house and we will see who is the pa. You want to a champion.
Hey. I'm Mizazo. This is Rubiako. Do you know why you're in this house? Do you know why you are in this house?
Do I know why I'm in this house? Now don't need to move here.
Go back.
Well, move it. Kono Utita say. Kono
groups no let me know be Asia.
What's I was even no offer. Only didn't come mama Africa nye besra. Bedo. Bibia. Sikam de urasia. Groups sikam de mo nya sapotwa.
I always wish for the best for you. Me nya feeling is emping the way.
Oh, Nyaminti.
Obey your homework.
Glory.
Honorable.
What is cigar? Hey, I said,
honorable.
Yeah,
for the mission of mission.
Hey, grounds none of the
but we see the Biako.
Yamiatum.
No, I'm a few the almost parliamentary.
But Obiaka, Viti, Obia, Adom, Obia, and Jenny, Obia can was him. Honorable, in fact, meeting by what I would see. And I made the say by show, Ubinia.
Mama,
my friend, you are once.
What be a committee?
The Patu, I don't know, Mikuzungu Mako had your own.
Timesenka me do ka ki no na me tu ka no ko basisi me she danti ni ban ko frɛ ma che ano papa no na me ko zungu
excuse me
ko betako debi me ka senka me do ni pan frɛ ma che na me dealers me nya ka immediate na me ko di traffic me ko na station me nya ka ante tin ma me fa ki ni na
hey me ba twen we di kuta ko anase
de me di tu ka ko
wo fa asa tu ka
me che se fa o ka na ma me nko
me kunu kan won fan ko zongo
mama de tiene say na wasn't coming kwano pan
what happened Dana
me pacho de
seriously there's something wrong with you
honorable de make am ze munya antima say
Dabi o pekine kuta de ya puta fa kuta ko agaze
o Dabi anopa na was me ko unze wo soro anopa na line station ko ya obenya ka but we ma twen adasa time we so no se me nyam ya me private car fan ko me delay nti me person ka me do ka ki no
na o tell the kai na o de ko ba
menche me besi ya menche madam why
nyam fa sama obi di bom abebo
o Dabi honorable obi di bom say
o Dabi
obi a metwi ka di meta shale a me bi o kan obi a
o de papa adwembani lankusa ni twenko ram ni twenko jiba ko ni twenko bugatti ni twenko trotro enfant compare private car da tu sais c'est puma na me fa sama car 15 billion e de puma aso beda ye na busa
se car de ese ya ni pe ni de no one
ona ye
you are a psycho. You have the nerve to come stand in front of my husband to give you his car? Are you out of your mind?
Mama, tina impolite with me, stress me pana chona daroma. Mama, me found come resisi menche.
Hey, what do you how? Just an inch near the amount of mile. What's wrong? Say, we can't do with you. What's made you say, "We go as we pump Kwabrane, Abba, we couldn't from the car mouth and go."
Mauba free, Mauba. What for the free? Mama dan kwa, o dan poso kwa, o didi kwa, o ni kwa, o don so kwa. Wa san na kwa ka che me se. Me ka maton na mi ye nche. Ani kida. Me le ranso. Me fa mo se u konzo. Wa u se konzo ngum.
So na boka yi se bin produce a wo to yi na me ufi ha. Etika o pe vit kuma bi na korola kuma bi ma me a. Enye wo ka ki na maji. Wo de ma me fa nkomra na me meji bi mo da ho ma.
Se wo jina when you atoka di ama. Se wo jina we. Wa Nkansah u soul ana u sunsun kire wo se wo seka.
Wo fa bro bi ana.
Ona mpacho de bi.
Enya na yi.
Ona ma me nkomra ntem na time mo komisere.
Are you still existing?
Ti mpacho mo mfa ma me na sese.
In your dreams.
I go to my wife.
Mo mfa ma me.
In your dreams.
Wo de
Can't you are not even fit so be work.
Mfa ma me.
Yeah, fama.
And ona mo me ba. Why? Someone mfa ma me.
Mo wa fe no kasa.
Me say yeah, fama. Such rubbish.
Mira, what da mana?
Adam dem say wabo. Because niema wo yen nyina mfa kwem. Wonya kukudu se fa o car man.
Ni bi asekura be ni.
Ye be ya hayeyo. Bella hayeyo.
Hey, woja. Oko.
Adana. Honorable. We die Nkansah kese am say ebi asifia mo wadi kan hu. At the moment abag ndo mo machine wo hu di wu. You friend wan kaso hu di wu.
O abi no.
Tino. Mami.
O so wonche. Wonche bi asa.
Mami ko.
O de wonche.
Mami ko.
There's wonche dia.
Che de me ba mami ko.
O fa.
Me ra de kan man de mami fe boat ba. Mami fe boat ba. No fa nkon mfa wo mra. Me sere.
Me peka na wada wo.
Jesus.
Ono ba be ha nso mami ko.
Twayi no tu se kuya no.
David. We na me pe. Ono bo we. De mami ko.
O e fa.
O wano mami ko mami.
Dale o fa. O fa. Anyway, ne bia ni ye. Wo ko nso ngomu no. O mu chika wasa. No bia fa ko ji why. Mesel.
Ono bo mami ko.
O de bi. Aso fa. Anyway, wa ne mu abi ye. Hanse ka mo de. Adama. Twa no aso. Ebe. Bye.
I got you. I bet you see you.
Pajimanche, why?
Mira.
I go or secretary say. Hey! Minute what am I crossing?
This is too much.
Minute Bella, I disabi.
This is too much.
I know I didn't name was when you are from. And then, you be Kasa. Mimi Kasa. Here the Kasa Missikani, Mitimi Kasa. How can say? Here new Bakasa Missikani.
Hey, honorable, I don't know. Me pacho, un say boy no be eat no ni fi e bi nti.
Me o.
Me re so nyum na boy ba ni ni fi.
Ti me o.
Ni po bi na mane bi me.
Oh, then recipe. Why here?
Honorable.
Me
E bi na me pe na mane bi.
But me o anna.
Na me ka say boy no be eat no ni ho. Me re so nyum prince no so de. Me na nya fa nti mi po bi.
Ti me ko bi o.
Dabi, iba kwa be.
Ja, en go di ko.
Ha.
His soul is one.
From the bottom of my heart. This is cross and that. Have it. Nice one. Baby, come. Put it on.
Okay. Hey, take it easy.
Oh, baby, come and sit on my laps.
Okay.
Nice one. Who must give me this?
No.
My baby, you. My Julie, my sweet you. My honey, my darling, you. You are my baby, you.
Why?
No, nothing. Have fun. Lema, you, real Prince. Oh, come and join us. Aroko. Prince. Oh. This guy suspects you.
Why?
This time I'm born in Pabon to you now.
So you're expecting me to fight you, right?
Let him enjoy. I love you. Please, yeah. And this if anyone said me happy, me dog. Na me bore I didn't pay say, or best show us some dream, or show them do free fear. So now my mom is got papa mommy's car. And I catch him cross you, or be see can see my no I establish his business, and I am pin open in Subinia. I rather me one by say, we are by November 25th there. No junior bull out of what I say. I love you. Let's go. No.
Oh, I thought we were coming here to spend time. Why would you say that?
So we should soon. Should we soon? If I told him, and far crano in your new season, oh, now I'm a new sugar.
Looking at me, how can I enter the pool with this?
Let's go.
Mamma didn't hold me fee, me yakunka. Oh, my me, who be beer, who fear. I branch and ask my DP, make a chum. Say, this one say, I nor say. Say, I nor say, Yamajin jump put in or you will fear. A budget today, Nancy minimum crota. Unyaku could do be catch him, me con the unfunny car keys the man, or the boy. Either ye see. We okay check papa ni sanko boy ni gate. Na gate man. I'm not just a gate man. Ya pam no. Honorable mo ono ko boy ni gate.
There mentaso. Mo record mentasi. Last the man complain. There how? O wa na ahwema edu demu. E want na into me saken. E want na into me saken. Otna oyeden. Onya hwe e ban fa so na owo no do. E ban fa so pa na ono do de. Otifia ha.
And Mase. Yes, shenenum. Me husband ne political ambition nti. Ompede nyama jinjam bia be say ne record.
It doesn't matter, but or how?
Because really it matters. From the man's perspective, it matters. Because you know my husband is kind of old-fashioned. So he doesn't want anything to mar his reputation.
Sister, one could say no being you benyin say. One could say no being you benyin say. Aba, into the master means to be that wo baby ah. Do be no be enyin sana. Ah on ye no wazi. Monko na wonto, monko. Ah, oya dan wa ha. Onboa, menya sure do boss obo mpa. E bi anche bo consider nkakra. But onboa onya ohwe, into oya den.
Abemwa. O misbehave here can as man wa atam ne bag abo nechi. Damareko.
Intaze.
Me husband so mpede asem bupo ya gba no. And blackmail na sika wa atam pudu not ama. Papa ne menya sure de make bibia kire mo atamase. On the political ambition na nwa sido. Mpede bibia be say ne record.
Eba nti na ye besia. Menyim fundament wote. Ode hu ha wa enye ne bakasa. No ama boy na akọ.
Queen. Menyim de me besia. Menyim de no so many ways and means motum that day benyin na adwen. Also me kuno no or fix it ne mind or one particular thing na ne ma me mpoba on sesa na adwen. Then I mean can old fashioned. Onya de nwa si ate kroda na. Tifu them and try. I have tried every means possible. But my husband is refusing to unbend. All he thinks about is his reputation. That is all he thinks about. I'm at my wit's end. I don't know what to do anymore.
Oh no. Pebo is even one kidnapping one sacking. So who couldn't say ya? That's why we pedo can say who couldn't moment say ya. One Chinese baby. Anna.
No, easy. Oh no, says our boy who for another blackmail. People in your there, a prominent person, Benayela. Also, will get hold over you. Also, that Benam do what I'll blackmail you.
So, what are you going to do?
That is why we are joy.
Because things are getting out of hand.
It has gotten out of hand. Totally gotten out of hands. Can't you see I'm going lean?
Oh, my young shakakra. Say I joined the old sunjim. No, as time goes on, maybe decision by Bani Yuma Yabayan I. Because one can say to where Shamesima I. You are not even looking good.
Sister, I mean, I get away in Pankamoko. Young Kwadwo chere. Young festival, my eating.
Okay.
My husband back and I but him as pay every weekend there.
Okay.
Okay, young festival.
Bring your water. Just look at what he's doing. Look at everything he's done ever since he came.
I went to bring my boyfriend.
Look. We had to come up with another plan, and that was supposed to be. But then I don't know what
is your problem?
I don't know what you've been telling him. I don't know the kind of discussion you've been having with him. Can't you get him to reason a little? Can't you get him to understand his place? Can't you let him know his position in this house? He comes here and he's just messing everything up. He's playing loud music. He's doing this today. He's doing that tomorrow. He's all over the place. Where is morale? Huh? We couldn't contain morale in this house, but morale is gone. Why is he gone? Because of Abolu. This uncouth, uneducated guy.
Can you lower your voice?
Lower my voice for what again?
Listen.
Every plan that we try to bring, you mess it up. Every plan that we try, you mess it up. What's your problem? I haven't brought any plan for you work before just because of you. Can't you talk to when you guys are in the room? Can't you talk sense into his head? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Now I'm tired. Okay, I'm tired. He's done enough. And if he's the reason I leave the house, I want to go. I don't care. I don't care about I don't care about anything again. Go and tell your mom. Yes, go and tell your mom and go and tell your father. What? Go and tell them. Go and tell them I'm not responsible. Go and tell them that. Go and tell them the truth. Go and tell them that guy is here. It's a whole setup. Tell them. Go and tell them that is a setup, because whatever he's doing, he's messing everything up.
Have you forgotten this whole thing is our plan? Huh? Have you forgotten?
What is our plan? Look.
Yes. So wait. Listen, we have to live with it.
Go and
have to live.
Listen.
With it.
Look, you have to get him out of the house.
Listen.
Or then again, I'm going to tell your parents too. I told you I'm going to tell them. I'll tell them the truth. Yes, I'll tell them that I'm responsible. Yes, I'll tell them exactly what you did. I'll tell them exactly what you know what you did.
That you are responsible of the baby inside of me?
Yes, I'll go and tell your mom and I'll tell her that's exactly what you did. I'll tell them that you drugged me. You know what you did. You drugged me. You put something in my drink. You switched my drink and put something in my drink and I drank it and you got me drunk and you went to take advantage of me and now you say you're pregnant. I don't care. I'll tell your mom everything.
What happened in the movie?
Hey. Don't you change the subject. I heard everything you guys were discussing. But how could you? Prince! So you are the one responsible for Bella's pregnancy? Hey! Prince, how could you?
Auntie, I'm sorry, I've been trying. Auntie, you time and again. Every time you see me all alone, I've been trying to gather the courage to come and tell you that this is what Bella did. Bella spiked my drink and took advantage of it. Don't you dare lie. Tell your mom everything that you did. That's exactly what she did. This whole plan of bringing the guy to the house and all that, it's so you wouldn't find out, so we could think of something. Auntie, I've been going through hell for some days now because of her. She's so selfish. Tell your mom you spiked my drink. Tell mommy. Tell you.
Don't you plan this together?
Plan what? What did I plan with you? I didn't plan anything with you. Tell your mom exactly what you did. Auntie, that's what she did, and I felt so bad ever since. She's my sister. I grew up with you. Why would you do that?
So all this while you had amorous feelings for Prince? You guys are practically siblings. I mean, how is your father going to take it? Prince, what is my husband going to say? And you also connived.
I'm sorry.
And brought this uncouth and unrefined girl into my house.
I'm sorry.
No! Which is the height of wickedness.
I'm so sorry. Auntie, tell your...
It's his idea
to do what? It's my idea to do what?
Did you plan everything?
It's
What?
my boyfriend, Bella!
Auntie,
tell your mom what you did.
You are diabolical.
What did you do to my drink? Tell your mom.
Are you really my daughter? Or they swapped you with another baby at the hospital? Because I can't get my head around this. Please.
I'm sorry.
You should have owned up from the onset.
I couldn't tell you. I wanted to tell you. I just couldn't. And she's been threatening me ever since. I'm sure this morale leaving and everything. She's had a hand in everything. Even the phone. I don't know. What
phone?
What have you done?
What phone are you talking about? Hey Bella,
tell mommy everything. Tell mommy everything.
Fess up right now. What about the phone?
Tell mommy everything.
Huh?
Nothing.
So you mean your girlfriend didn't steal my husband's phone?
Tell your mom the truth. Tell her.
You've seen me time and again sitting all alone and asking what's wrong with me. Auntie, I haven't got the courage to tell you what is going on. I've been hiding this for long. Auntie, she's hurt me so bad.
And on top of everything, you guys connived to bring this uncouth, unrefined guy into my house?
Whose plan was it?
This is the height of I mean wickedness.
We didn't want you. We didn't want you to know that it's all her plan. I've been trying to get the courage to tell you that this is what she did. Tell your mom exactly what you did. Hey,
It's his plan.
Did I poison my? Did I put something in my drink? Did I spike my drink?
You did that? Bella, you did that?
Did I spike my own drink? Tell your mom the truth. Tell her everything.
All this while you had amorous feelings for Prince?
Tell mommy everything. Auntie, that's exactly what happened. I've been wanting to tell you, but I didn't know how to. To be very honest, that's why when I told Uncle I wanted to go to the north, I had to say I won't go again because she's been on my case, she's been on my neck.
Prince, now that your uncle is here, I want him to hear everything from the horse's own mouth. First up,
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Bella is pregnant. And I'm the father, not Abul. Bella has been a problem in my life for a long time now. Ever since I brought Angel to this house, since I made the Angel by here, Bella ma, mommy has that. On pet Angel has said me your only for her to tell me later say she loves me. When I'm here the man of her dreams. Angel didn't be happy, all because she wants me to herself. And someday we will hear TV. And I know what drink water. I'm sorry, I wash you. Back but no drink now. Me too, you know. Or damage home. Of since I don't know. It's me showing him. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. And what disturbing me ever since? Say there may be a she won't be with anybody else. Abolonukano set up or the neighbor just to cover everything up. That's no corner one is a colony Makola. I'm sorry. But Auntie, this is the truth. This is everything. And she knows I'm not lying. She knows I'm saying the honest truth. She did everything on her own. I don't know what I've done to her. We grew up together as siblings. We're all trying to find love. You have a problem with my partner. We've never seen your partner. It's all making sense now. You know, this is what you had at the back of your mind.
Hey. Enti, adi amayemi. This nipa na mo twa me sa no. Afa na asi. Hey, move ni wa papa. Hey! Bella. Enti adi amayemi. Ani ti sham ho. Ani ti fia. Enti ke sini na nsinna. Nesenka. Se kwa na ke ko.
And you're ready to do and be pee or muswa.
Hey! Na, Mibo! We are looking, sir. She was so wicked person like you.
I'm wicked over. Oh, mommy, chance, mommy,
Chance, man. The mommy with the animal. My phone sent me back now. Bella, you wouldn't be about. What's in the back? Son of my young. Baby, baby. Me, Maria, me, Mama, look, he said, I said, you're from back on my name. I'm going to say them, Banner. No, what's my dim one to say? Enemy by Abenyam. What one? What for me there? No one says here. Over pandemic. Let me tell you, Papa, say Nancy. Men Monsa, what is some mammy, my bro? Now I've been bumped on my house. Fish I've been got so I won't even solid that. Me and Bama, marry my pa. So, judgment. So, Papa, that's what you need to me. And then my fool as well. Oh, solid. I see that everywhere. Hey, what's my problem about Obama? What I want to say? And was I drunk for Apollo Abagufia? And was that to me? Mr. 2 million, Mr. 1 billion, 50,000. Never Siri at Mika Ram 2024 model. It's Tim. Hey! 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 What is the commando? We are from sir. Dear, you see, number 2. Oh, Mom, oh, Mr. Mirror. Oh, Tia. I did right. I see. Become a sinner. Mirror. In another. When you come down, my year. Millions of dollars. Jamaye, Marie. Sweating pan me bay at my dad, Marie. Eba, why be pay what thing? I go get you walk to. And I'm here minku. Oh, jaja. Hey, you two. To Miracle. Mira. Está bien. Sanote.
Why are there? Oh, wow, or 12 on Timpunu. Madame, Oba Fiada Bay. If you are Oba the Bay, just say, one more thing. One now knew your new be on you in Tiampamo. Share for your information. Mimit if you're not on mini hako. If you are not one, mini haqua, a young wife, Oba my nimno, semi predators am arsenal, and I mean some chain enemy war. Mimon refia.
On your fault. On your fault.
Na one fault.
Mommy refia. And my sister if Emma
Emma.
Oh,
the baby see was soon be a mistake. Hey, who's a young boy be a down. Milk come out heavy.
Emma Raha.
Me ma
was some night if her night. What time boss?
I see some there
what time boss?
Oh, bound him be a consensum ki kansim. And I made sure say
opportunity.
What's on the opportunity?
Oh, for
what be
for some Fiona Minakwa. Emma Raha.
Me ma
na botuma ka dem me Raha. Maybe in the botuma.
Me ma wuram.
Ochnamo Raha. I'll bow the
I shall top and down with Kikaki consent on a trust our lifestyle.
No, so no lifetime I did to one.
Nonsense.
My sister Baba, my report. Oh, my report. What about you?
On Koboni she can't.
What jail?
Or bound Konishi
and yeah, when you me a hand.
Sasa, and you talking can't trust ma. Bible sin anu kuro from she ase. What she has my pamon. Nonsense. Wo ba fia wa o tu kusun. Ebe ke kansem. Say yem pamo me. Say hey, yem pam na onyini papa oni suban. John Pope betenam. You gan power ti. Hey, sister we pa na o say ka me gua no kra ansa na wako. Amina aka kribi osabeba. Me ma su fi na me wo, e fi no kura enche be me dia. E fi no ayire so a me wife nyum ye nyum de nyum me wife nyum owo na se akura ne ba wiase a papa no enche obewu. Ma me no so de wanwu kura a menim kwan a me ankase me foso me na fa ne ba. Ejapade na ye me wife dia. Ebedi oba ne nsa so dia bedi me nsa. Wo ba ke kasam se empamo me.
You are in this house under false pretenses. Enti ekabia yabo wo hu bia ni sika bia wo de ahunu na ne patapa age afiri eho bia no me the pen paper beto hu you have to refund us back our money na ochenya mbo a ye wie reconciliation na in accounting terms no it still be feel ne kabo me kan reconciliation I want to say na ya ja kwa maako eba ne nya oba
Pentecost nyame so abula akumem Mame, she me menya abofra wo. Me mpese me no be ni gidi because asem na wo ka no, em se bi wa Nkansah no, unim nsem a wo ka. Honorable, me menya abofra wo. Menya small boy, ena menya yaro, menya kura keto na wabeto na nsem a kire me. Sa na mo pese mo ye on. Sa na mo pese mo ye. Ade we ask me from the beginning. Just me tifia, me tete mo, me ha mo adwen. Me ye no man samfata mo ka manim. Just say if you're not making mum pet, it won't be some free more Simbia, no me be a to me. Honorable, oh dear, so be sure your bear man between your coupon. One day be no shady. Me, my bomb home or the animal bar, a boat to pine more barno. Am I in Chaka Crabia Manawono? Move your catch and say, I will from other me and banana wine back. On Yammy banana wine back. Mommy, so what should I? Dan a script and dan a story in a class and book for Chireme. Share
Abolu. Uni bibi, and the enchima or bang once and a dear. A channel penny for you to be very clear about what I'm talking about, there's going to be a DNA conducted. The chabwa one I've been a yearly pa, a banny and idea.
Mommy, minimum DNA be Honorable.
Kaka, winning. Unya bemo. Chini. Swab you say a killer. Unya killer da. What do you say so? Now way. Saka sabina bana mo chacha mano. E brother bay. Ya pelsi ya nyontu. Bejim blame so na majetu. Wotie ase de buku to twene. Fi se first why me ba. E kemina. Wana ma kwai. Wo so wanyini. Na date sawo. Why me ba na nche mache krokro. Abawie say enya wo ni se nya wo ni se. What's your problem? Wo say ma won e kasa chamere say wo tia chamere. How dare you?
Yes.
Who are you? Here it is so. I can't win a photo bill.
Yeah.
One of your tia. Wunya, oh my winya. What was your penny? What in it? Or go in this current chair. Pinion simply catch and come and find chow. Oh, you got me.
Cause from game.
Honorable. Minim say minim say me previous oh you honorable be a wonyin ansafo. Honorable. Hey, make us match ro. Honorable, me na me against o. So ni ma kubusa agboro PZ. Honorable, agro na mudi. Che, me say agro na mudi. And besides, say empokura no, say nye me dia, me talk to you we still be time abetna. What are you telling me? Me abo from mamo, o do be in the wo be ties you from what say.
Hey.
Mira.
Hey.
Akwanja be any so a killer.
Why me down?
Fefre from.
What am I hearing crowd? What the fuck was that? Hey.
Mira, now. Obata bibi dia mo. Hey. Obata bibi dia mo.
Bella. Ni bibi so wasen bi. Send me a semi TV. Can I prefer training? And no, Papa, no, my friend. They see me too many say. Means and I'm meaning say, and I'll cry no doubt, you know, on your media. And no crown as I know.
Tina want it, and I said, Tina want it, I see. And no crap. No, dear.
Bella, Usumi was Tina want it, and I said, Tina want it, I see. Make say, I will find out all you know, back. Bella, we Jimmy for Bella. We are chin, we are down home. That's a Bella, and you young coupon. Come on, so did you ridiculous Dada. Bella! I will follow them in Mediam Bois. Bella, just on Papa.
Hold on. It's not being said.
Hey. What? Bella, I'm talking to you. Why are you guys making noise? Young man, that child is not yours. Don't you know?
Bema, Jabro for some no. Hanani braba.
Me
manya mo ba no. Enda mo abusha fun matenase. Chese me self ata. And next ka for ba se bi pedal se bi nom. Chese me ye broke boy na mawo. Enti mo twa ma akora na ba. Na mo na ko tra brutiri. Bo Nyankopon sa ko abofra no. On fa ba bia. Bema, abofra no on fa ba bia o. Okay.
This is for Jimmy Fio ko akora no nya oba. You don't even know your position.
Mama me.
Hey, you didn't see us. I just did my idea what you Jimmy left and up and Jimmy.
Okay.
We are over.
Okay.
You go feel impregnate this one in this time here. Can you impregnate her?
Okay.
Lose stock. I can't say I'm out now.
What said my dear mammy?
I could never know if you are now.
Much said my dear mammy. Bella, what can we want to move money to my temple?
Doesn't he know?
Bella. Bella.
So na ye de wo so ne baby so aya de na wo de ndam de we
sa
na ye wo hu agro woni so ye na free akokora na ni so tete ye se me ba oni ko efa so ba
de na o ba gbegbe e na fa ha say e ti na fa ye gi na me I just watch you e di ni e de concert na o bu fie na o
me ka sim ya kire no say ya gro bi na mu di a mo se sama adwen. Let's say now group is near and pampa. You know,
you should have told him everything before. Did you tell him? See what you cost. See what you have cost.
Yeah, this should be the last time you are blaming me. This should be the last time you are blaming me. I've taken it easy with you all the time. You. Were you dead when I was?
I will show you where the power is. I will show you where the power is.
I miss morale so much.
me fa. Ayo. Kura.
Right. Etu na ayo.
Na tu ati se na me to ne ma no. Ka ba tu ati. Se na ka me to ne ma no. What bodam? Ah, me fa tu ma fa yo.
This is hilarious, eh?